3.1 www.superfmonline.com. Of course, you are say here bomodina yet me the footage you are ba ababe ramet timiera mane yawoda ene entra ko sise dumi no baba ye be pije mu na ne ye won koma wodo na edia ensem no edos ye papa dini abudi abelu taken wo de ebeko amano ne bishop atapoko a Michael Asaribodu Michael Akomia Jemfi enafi apostle omunyina ka edi abomeboa na yetimi de dwumade no etimiera bronti aroparo open say ya ye trans ya pe na wabomode na wa yo sika no ready ni nyina ene se Sompa sika promotion obawo mode na wadi sika twhwidie pa na ne ma de da etimiera manti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash ubose ma pe ye wo Sompa kumase eno na dikan na wabomode atwa ko 5 Ghana cedi na twa dodo na sere be boa na wenye sika twhwidie na ne ma ko ye di amazaze draw no ye ya a life enti no libilibi no labalaba na wa uzampa edidam kama pretimiera manti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash Sompa kumase na bibi adeda ye pa etimiera manti Sompa sika promotion aba ye jadwa e baba beboa na esmansi wenye sika also odebebo modern ayo 1212 bi na hye no akoyera ma boys bi chicken semenka enfantro ze broma so ebra na bra beje akoko nam no na jeze papa ni nyina ne ze nkoko no papa ne boys bi chicken no mo bodwuma panti no ya bo mu diniti a ye from BBC tieniye dini ye BBC na BBC no chezo mu ye dwuma mo nam ne ye halal edie nu anom nkramufo no mo wakwenya zombe kona makwa tobi na mo so no mretimi dia bon kwan package no ano edi nti ne fu na pe ne share na pe na tabu na pe giza na pe les na pe de man krama edi aba obu adwuma panti ne branches ne doso oro ani chemo Kumasi Abantama Street Osi Presby Church as Wase Market no obenya bi Santase roundabout Osi Unity Oil Poku Trading oro ani chemo adum SG Mall Top High Tech and a Shell ewo Boadi Junction ya bwana ne madeda yepa era ma BBC efia kokko papa form number no tonkra na yembro bi bia obia 0544 44453 0544 44453 na hyehyɛ no enko ye fama Liberty Conference November to remember na 5th anniversary Liberty Conference uzene mo amobo modern food for thought no amache no ya na muti anazepo wo fie kra na wutie me na ne onso no onka ho a mepacho emre na soso so okọ na tweda ponyankopon boa o ha ne kwadanda ha bia wona mu bia no ya hwe na so ano e dia ma uzene alpen pra ye frano man ya wedubu ache oyobi otranse amache one de ba utietie nkomodi bia waboa ama nei no omo a no omo na ha mu mpo bi ana nkoko kana no Ethiopia pa no ne ha no nyina eto etimi atwa di no ohyase di djuma no emfie no makomaku no ni etipa cho 5th anniversary Liberty Conference no be bia wo Ghana bia wo akwenya senya meboa memenda e wo Jubilee Park anopa 8 o'clock am patamu akumasi krodium ya ejepene na netimi akoso na ze djuma de ne ebe na ekrabehwa oba aba beje wa ya isa ne niama na team eda so no Revelation 21 verse 6 or say it is done eno na team na ye bobode na ye de rom na boama ne makoye pa na nyotofo a ye de omobo ma betuntun twede amponyankopon aboa amahohum na sane no your minister SK Frimpon and afio Kweku JC Every Grace Sandy Asari minister Kwame Jedu etime patrol Liberty Conference no ye nyina ye ru memenda Jubilee Park na nema and da ye pa and from our last chance bar center ezebra na bra be rom ma so na last chance na metiomo so na ma sorry ni nyina ne se ndupa de ye de bia bedwama so pa na esi ade aba be rom dwama so ankofo bobo a empo amanto ne ko yere mo no eye obofo heba mixture obofo heba mixture oroko ne kan ye odian o se ya mo aduro na for da ho no ana obi for heba mixture haba ma no ebi fi China ebi o Ghana ene aka bo ma bomode na timi ade aya ni nyina mo na boa ma ne ma ko yere amanti aboa timo janani etiti tintini mu ewana na nsita cho na ya eye obofo heba mixture malaria fever obofo heba mixture typhoid fever obofo heba mixture oro ni chemo heba shop pharmacy ana se over the counter baby a okọ osu pe bia ye beboa na ne ma de di pede ama last chance eba na apomdi fie no form number no ni omo ni nkomo 0574 353 707 0574 353 707 0533 121 761 0533 121 761 frɛ na didi nkɔmɔ na yɛmboa na ne ma deda yɛ pa ɛntimi ɛmfama Freebo Ventures menka ɛmfa ntrɔ sɛ brushes awodoɔ na any toothpaste awodoɔ na ne no open quality ones a deɛ ɔmo de aba no na deɛ tie nie ɛmɛ sɛ uyu so ɛkama paa ne nyinaa ɛne so obi adidi wie nneɛma keka ka osim uyi kra nhyɛda nyi ɛna afei so wow se no asɛ nneɛma bi adeda dada so amepakyɛ Freebo Ventures menka ɛmfa ntrɔ sɛ yɛde toothbrushes awodoɔ na bɛwɔ Ashford Prince a ɛnkwara mɛma nketewa na yusu Ashford Princess ɛyɛ nkwara ma nketewa no ɛna yusu Ashford Evidence so no ɛwɔ hɔ yɛ Ashford Executive Ashford Friendly na afei no Ashford Galaxy ɛno nso akyi toothpaste na ɛde aba no sɛ wɔnum yi nka edu beebi a wapesti a ɔse no ɛnhyɛra nyɛ fitaa ɛfɛ opesti a mogya edidi dim saa ɔse akyi nam na ahoɔden hyɛda nim a ɔmo toothpaste na ɛde aba no bɛboa ama saa nneɛma no nyinaa no ɛyi ɛrefi hɔ yɛde Afi Fresh ɛba toothpaste aba be romo your Get Clear toothpaste alloy toothpaste and a peppermint toothpaste it open dodo na atu ana baako mieru bia na kyese ni nyina no ewura mu boa manema ekoye kama pa etimi edi amount no fa number way 0241 545646 0241 545646 in a 0200 600934 0200 600934 niambwa na hyehyɛ no enko yɛmfa ma Vodafone se nebra edin said the star run na mwana kitikita sema hodo na ne mobile hwekro bi ko wo sekia kuna ne de omodi abanie yesi ya the eSIM no nya baba babazi Vodafone eSIM service simple oro ready use Vodafone bi abo star 700 star star 700 star obo modern ebo ewia wa follow proceed na ko enim kakra oro ko Vodafone retail shop bia ananse poro oro wani echemo ewo bebi a omo offices ni bi wa ye beboa na wanya number unyusu physical sim simple yezu radio station na ma 5 giga a data uyusu ni ama 20 minutes a airtime a obaba mode dia afre all networks eto amu za aboso miensa after so we registration no enti 15 gig of data na fi no yama 60 minutes no so no call minute abo mode na wetimi the friend call for Vodafone further together na hyehyɛ no akoyie kama pɛri ama drinks ni ebie no eno na ye bobɔ na ye baba betra ha ame ahoden na ye adwuma no etimi the amount na ye na aba abedinto na aba de dodo na eba be hye no mepacho mixer 5G habamani nduaba na ye de aye na ahoden sonko ede mankofo no cafe sem de edanchen kra enye no nko mizo fruit drinks nso no drink ye de aba be roma organic fruit suso ene yetimi de aye etiemu api onya bi na abo a empoa na nema de da ye pa etimi ede amana mu nkomo no simple fanamba ina ne mpefo eni nkomo yete asimontin so okumase ankofo agye omo dia NTS mas you know also jodie 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 106348 0558 106348 Kweku Orchard Company Limited ono Eastern Region to mo for idiano mo number 0243 329414 0243 329414 na care of Kinju Enterprise Urwani Chemu no mota Swami Kumasi and Chehaya Obo Modern Wajibi 0544 483392 0544 483392 niambwa nane madeda dia family Daniel all 21st gonna kwame overseas so kwa obo modern wajibi kan supermarket orwani chemo sister sewa na chese na so abajibi Mama Esther at Com Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Bwakwa OGB PNC Ventures Wanomanje taxi station OC Charity Hospital Benyabi na Sachi Enterprise orwani chemo asafo abinchia OC VIP car park kono bwana wajibi na niama koyepa etimi ediama na international break you know akwetimi era premti nyambwa weekendi was ye ko ne ekokotwa ne edipa ene yawoda ramu www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh ultimate download the app no ewo mo site wo apart from no yo bebu atwa 100% mepacho ede ramu ho na yenye adwuma na kama pemfa mana akwa ye also no anase golden booking code no offer enyi bi mfimu emfa bi hyemu na mu nkomo ne sere nema esietie no ehyeye kama pretimi ede ma se onzo no betwa na wanya ska utwa ubedi ska bebre na de wom ni se de nchemu no esi atia ne se utwa from 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana na ediwa osika no nyesa de ma back udi so a unya sika botwo uro momo vrenda bia ho na ne no unso ma bomode etimi atwe etimi edi ato so mo yo mo top up ni bia ewo so bo modern na uro mu na akọ ekoko ebi na eboama ntoto no eda ye permanent o ma daroma ma me ko me ma na ba de uramu amanone na ya to aso na amanone nkomo no ato aso etimi edi amana bibia adeda de da wande akọ Luther King amanone nkomo no to aso
right abena senso na no pa abra ya sin konwan ye be breaking it down na ya touching it down na ya knocking it down na nya dajejeja mu yompo ewa amanone nsemu udwani on Facebook Sompa 93.1 anasa Sompa TV Ghana videos audio ba pictures audio ba na yensha semfi Tanzanian club yetin 1936 ye van Sompa SC na otwawe ye omugina akono ne nyina ne so pemo CAF Champions League na eno kopemo na daje ne poso ne nyina ne se afi omujesia omude ebebo CAF Champions League group stages no sha senyame pa Saturday bom game no many tima ye fe na sek mimosa na airport na enwa no mo mfeli omo 3 kita omo de be bo afi Cup Champions League group stages no omo home just home sasuna way and a third kit ni nyina na chesoma ni kama ye jeje mo eso da ma African football no aya kono aya fe ama bad de na kwamo na no kira wura tima omo pemo Tanzania ani Sompa SC akwa himself from Asek Mimosa almost Sunyamiantom omonya touch it down abromu free Abidjan no and Antonio Sompa TV a dasu kama say African clubs no omutu kwan ya no ma foman F papa and no twa mediama omu suta omu de ekopia mu Kaira na eye kejua and na wutwetima ye fe na Asek Mimosa omu so anfama no eye kama papa yamiantom omonya touch it down eso Tanzania Saturday you are CAF Champions League and your group stage game omo bagen Sompa SC and you don't sem and you to nyengro mo CAF na me nya dwuma wo CAF mfama CAF force and to anim ese nyame pa AFCON to January no say we country no qualify na say oba 23 players and whatever na mo so betwa increase team no and you 27 players na mo CAF national song ninyina say so the 27 players ba CAF be mo baby ada na mo CAF country bia no obetwa 23 players additional 4 na de be ka no who Finan Kasa and a better care of some additional 4 players would be 23 players no and we are so far the free CAF so yeba ye jama nano pay e would 20 so na me patcho mame Bolgatanga Central MP na so pema honorable Isaac Adongo e wo mrasebedwam na de we at Ghana nim ade we at Ghana mrasebedwam nim ade we at NDC nim.
Mr. Speaker, you remember that last year I was very quick to compare my big brother Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia to Harry Maguire. Mr. Speaker, I now apologize to Harry Maguire. Mr. Honorable Chairman, sir, you got very angry when I used your defender as an example. Today, Maguire has turned the corner. Is a transformational footballer. Harry Maguire is now scoring goals for Manchester United. Mr. Speaker, Harry Maguire is now a key player for Manchester United. And for our Maguire, he is now roaming at the IMF with a cup in hand.
No, Jema, Nessa Bolgatanga Central, and Rashabetani, Opemo NDC, where ranking members of parliament, and Reverend Isaac Adongo, and Yatuka, as Obeka last year, and Obeka Semifa Ghana Penabedia, on Munyan for Baumiao, as Nisubana Quest, Manchester United defender, Yefen Harry Maguire. Now, Maguire, they said they were transforming Papa. Go so I and Manchester United who come majority leader crana or no crown or support to Manchester United. Let's any defender Maguano, no Isaac Adongo dear, or do a Chelsea fan, then run or young Samma, more Kevian and some called Vira, MPM England, Sel Pema, Harry Maguire, as Etienne Isaac Adongo. apology accepted. See you at Old Trafford soon. Nessa waje omrasebetwani no waje na chopani dia tum na wase obehia no Old Trafford enche wan try invite ne beba ama bia kama Ghana mrasebetwani wa fahari magua ho e ba be Old Trafford. Yeah, I don't go Old Trafford. Be fine. And no idea by me jam jamamo. Now Manchester United phone sense me. My main fan to an him. So Roma so far 2024. Be 15 players. Ebe from Manchester United I call a Bia Zube. Ebi aya bonkos, ebi aya krafinte, ebi nyadie. Na mum the leader. One the winter you betima content. Aya brantia. Ye fe Jadon Sancho. Obeka no pam de to anim. Ese Donny van de Beek. Ewo Galatasaray. Obetimi akọ. Enu achi upema Bamunchen. Perafe Varane. Omo peno. Enu achi players na outdoor. Clubs outdoor pe omo. Na mo so wura. Onu de tena agbo wa na ninka. Opeso frimuko. Out of 15 players, you know, Jadon Sancho, and no idea Pami Jamo, as what Jamo never joined so. Now, Pima, but it told himself Corascalia, why a Napoli player or Portman, Georgia, now Manchester City, or Masha Mutin Uncomo, Adea, or Mr. Boyway, or Munyan, or Man City Fifua, not Kevin De Bruyne, and you are, not so Munyana, at Sabru, now Jabru, dear, Nurse, in Tiffany, Peja for her, a Juman on camera, I'm a player fine, and you are Devin Bernardo Silva, was in Naraxi de Alla Gaskia Kena, Adea, was in last year, last July, this year, Yamo, Upaka offered for Saudi Arabia by was in the Crodan Wana, or Casa, why Saudi offer one or bois. What's the Kapan or maybe a switch? I don't know. After Ordana Susana Dyer, no more deba quite interested. I'm on Bernardo Silva or rejected Saudi move now. By then, you offer Champions League, now semi final, or more bought no check against Madrid. Now, or share go, must have been the dumb, now fan on Sanchiano. I must so far regret it. I saw tennis Saudi Sicano or turning it down. And we and some of Bernardo Silva, Edia Tuka, no Roman City for as a Omoba Shasia, no Munya Crash Shasia, a Peswedia Kodana, your friend Ellen Holland, no, Omba Dadano, and in that team come up convincing, then you understand contract, or best and the Jamomo, or best Septinu Dell, or so far by no, then come on an action crunch, I say, or best Septinu Dell, at Jamomo, then some bad Dada boy, no, I'm a Brantia, your friend Ellen Holland. Was a new deal at the citizens, the Sky Blues, Manchester City, and no idea Pamitemo. Now, so far, according to Opta, Premier League, after match day 12, Sa clubs way, and then likely say Premier League, Omu Ebetimiaje. Now, so far, Savay, Omu Yavian say, and Omu Econo, see Manchester City, 84.3%. As on no, Obetimi Aji Premier League, I'm a player fine, and watching Omu the Liverpool, Ebeda second. The Liverpool, I'm on 9.3%. Try the gap between the City and Liverpool. City 84.3%, and up Premier Liverpool at 9.3%. Barcelona City or Quadrat Premier League, Amupasia Fasna, and 5.7%. Tottenham Hotspur, and 0.3%. And then watching also Roma, Aston Villa, Mumam 0.2%. And no Edgedawa, ye Jam Edamau. Now, young Everton, Everton Fonia Bre, almost so far, or more planning, and some protested at the Etia, a Premier League, for that 10-point deduction, on person from team, because of financial irregularities, and Una Everton for as a way Besha protest plans, and on the schedules, at about 5:30 p.m. on the protest to a Premier League headquarters, and more pay, and we're landing, Omuvia, Yami Passa today, Man City, Liverpool. Omu game number one, ewe Ita Stadium, Everton, na some fans, some plane, na sa plane, ebe tu ababe fa, eye Ita Stadium nusro, na omunte, eye bana biaboto, no more criticizing point deduction, na some can be the atrefe for no, and which Sunday, Everton or Goodison Park, the Manchester United, and also no, Abra, eye Premier League anthem, no, Eba, ombehu anthem no enu achise fair play handshake no onso omo chacha omo ni nyina ombehu omo nu abonu tutuo ni nyina besi na Sunday kona omo de banners bia on be support Everton team no they criticize the Premier League no enyina so beba ama bia kama na Everton fans no ebiso ekasa yenti nsama on the two for protest no
be punished. Fans should not be punished for the sins of the club, and that's what's happening in this case, because the people that made those mistakes within the club are not at the club anymore. There's a clean slate there, and that's what we want to do. We want to make this a clean slate. We'll fight those 10 points, and then we'll move on together as a fan base and a club. Should not.
And we summer dawa ye chama mune tumadian so na yamfan to say Euro 2024 so for qualifiers no enya apana wie na qualifiers ne bana wie no yenya 21 teams are automatically oma qualifiers say 24 teams and also copy aka 3 slots na 3 slots no e was about playoff and a playoff draw no etima toja me no kasa ya and chana draw no e baba chance here am a bia 12 teams and a kobo a playoff no na 12 teams no on be bo ayimu 3 and a koko 21 ho am a bia so ya fine and no e de bana so far okopema and some teams 12 no yawo Poland yawo Finland yawo Estonia Ukraine yawo Iceland yawo Israel Bosnia and Herzegovina yawo Georgia yawo Greece yawo Luxembourg yawo Kazakhstan and Wales 12 countries are so far mo kobo playoff no and no e de mi jamo eso edama mo ne e wo dwumadi no so yegusu tinkonya so breaking no down attach no down ma me mfa we ma eso pema Senegal e wo FIFA under 17 World Cup egusu etodwa no eno round of 16 ubekaya France and Senegal ne share e kwa 0-0 penalties ama France e win 5-3 and opemi touch story be down Edma sa France e wo player bi na player no okopemi friend Yanis Yusufu na Yanis Yusuf no Jamete and so Pema under 17 AFCON for qualification for World Cup no obebo bi manager abo 4 games e share 2 goals we in under 17 corner wakopo bi Edama France ama no pan beto anim e say bi cross and disqualify France free under 17 World Cup eguso todo Indonesia no yenyo mu film so mo Yusuf player onye qualify me no ka Senegal omo football federation no e dia quarter organizers ewo under 17 eso mun disqualify France no mo omo Senegal enkopem wo the quarter final stage no ni nyina ne so pem under 17 World Cup eguso todwa no boy e fan Yanis no bo 3 group games no ni nyina wo bobi edima France under 17 ya assist bi kra wom enu ntinu akra no ankobe botia wom Senegal and omo draw ni team from the line up squad no e bempanyin for enyi boy ni fan from na boy no opema ni citizenship no okra kratam no okra citizenship as a Nigerian and was self krabi as Moroccan and no demete and no and no kopodiama France was yabo at the Niger and no at the bedman ko Cameroon demete Francis in Gano the predator or no Jamito Prema Cameroon president your friend Pobia way and a Pobia as to Diamete and some Pobia at the Kratabia for Kratan to so as the Francis in Gano and Puma Philadelphia 76ers almost star you're Joel Embiid I just say almost a Baba Bomba Basso na Basu Podiano Opimo Cameroona individual Anna Jadimo Pia award the high ranker was as commander of order and valor and Omuti Baba Mawomo Nina Soldier a Branta Francis in Gano the predator just so far ultra boxing one the Gypsy King Tyson Fury Koya and Pemo the martial art and also Juma Wanya what Cameroon and a Joel Embiid Opemo ANBR I was 76ers your dresser or a Cameroonian or a Cameroon player now no Pemo Cameroona or Muko Kwapai or Mubofu as na in Ganu Janka problem name or Sefat as a President Pobia upon Abaso na Joel Embiid 2017 a promo inviting as a boy and from a Cameroon or more a basketball team Afro basket and near a basketball African Cup of Nations or a bomb or declining Wama and watching was say or your French national will cross citizenship as a French ni and what you say cross citizenship as an American. Na say Cameroon ite e dinka Canada no so e Cameroonian or bo MBNB na mo wonye red was even crown Olympic Games e beto dwano obasa kopo adwuma e de ama eye America man no Jana chese Joel Embiid wodo Cameroon enti pobia e mane mona baso ama e Cameroon for no omo dwamo mkoko e swetimi apai eno e de ba mi jamo mi ko nema ne former advisor ye fen Eduardo Musa ababontem e se nema papa de piano person chese we important guy ni nyina no se oni bi bia ontimi njeje no was Nema's father likes to be the important guy. I'm not judging him, but it's a fact. And you have so Penina Day and Awukasa was the decisions to go to Paris and Saudi Arabia shows me they are interested only in money. I'm not judging. That's a family decision. Name and former advisor, you've had Eduardo Musa and at the sense of no, a pub on Tabatudha, Yadima Munano pay with 20 and so. Now, Kopima wouldn't him say, Brazil, only Tima, Messi and Kuntunkuni, one Timmy and say go, Comipo, World Cup qualifiers in and Fentiamo, Messi, what she goes our Comipo, World Cup qualifiers, at their country, Brazil continues having Tomoda, then watch for the first time since 2006, Messi 2023, and Kwani Afia me patch one more penalty kick, and no a Messi, Jeba, ye jam aswa jamamo, ewo a Jumadian so, you shooting Conyaso, a breaking on down, Nampa Chomami Argentina and Brazil, highlights in a kakra, Nano Comipo, World Cup qualifier Maracana. This Brazil fans from Muja, would you try? Ole, 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 Zinzim, Zinzim, try. Popa and Totri and na Argentina for the Brazil for now. Na in Tokwane Basha Seno, me patros Argentina fans no munye. Argentina fans no, and the Shasia, Omututu, a seat out on Konya, and was stadium Maracana, na Omo Toto, at the Pro Brazil for now, and let's say Brazilian police for now, as Soma Bufua, and Mombetisi Omso, a Pro Prepra woman, and Nun Anamswa, Emma Nanin say, Okopema, Nessa Brazil for the and Omutia na Argentina for no Asubu Fuisana na Brazil for no who Argentina anthem no Abana Argentina anthem no no mu and a mom suit to Tunkunyano and we are deba na Argentina as one some kakana Di Maria as the fans near Jomo Kakra Nina Yadia and also SC Nanwada ye Jamu Adamamo and what a Jumadian so now Pima ex Argentina manager your friend Carlos Pilado was one of football coupe and what Argentina team no Atea or catch say focus concentrate sa doctor operation for 12 hours or your friend Carlos Bilado as a doctor concentrated for 12 hours said to be a patient in emu and to a footballer just 90 minutes concentrate no point one of a result Fabra now payment 1 billion the amount of 1 billion say almost say final kwanya de sombe light it up yeah can you pay 1 billion ni nyina no say o ko pay sasa light way 1 billion bo light na nwumre ni nyina no say for Turkey almost say the show respect and sympathy e dey ma omo ya attack almost Turkey and also Ukraine for no for so far support about Russia attack you and now payment give for the end there yes omo be so name Omina, yes, a Toro attack Aquamosono, one before someone so light and fan support Tomu Pim, Nemum gave for the other day, Omega so I'm a beer, I sweat my camera, and no edge flow ever, ye Jamu Adamamo, Namakwa Sensio, also on it Danilo, they make somebody available for Monaco Gima, at PSG, as well Eberbono, on be available for selection, Danilo and Toragino, as so we're physically 100%, and we are there by Thomas Tuchel, Name Pane and Opea Dubaco. When the press conference, head of Bamunchinu Colon Kema, Omu Pabonichna, and we are there. Chabi Alonso, per report about the next season, or Beb Bamunchin, Omu coach, and no Ed Demetia, Medimana Real Madrid, and no more training. Our father Debebas, yes, he play friend Jude Bellingham. Crafinte player no Omama Obian touch Wojibolo Obian kono so Adrian part in the shoulder no Omum peso ombesa kubrim and we dey na Rodrigo so for joining Real Madrid no 182 games na enya dey say 3 consecutive games games men said what was what match go this week and to share Etiaka desam no assess our record why new record Real Madrid or Muna Pimo Spina ya name woman as best sports brand on TikTok, best sports brand on TikTok and we are Real Madrid opium spinner sub basketball no ya jama Madrid on Bobo Econo na me patro kramo picture no afato so na yen twa bra mo dia award no Emma Madrid no as a best no TikTok spin no and we are there na former AC Milan omo director friend Paolo Maldini was say no cre omo transfer komo San Messi na mom omo ni Messi kasaye after 10 days eno me San Messi deal enyama so eno eyensema eno so ababeto dode to na deco FIFA for the omo nyene footballers no FIFA organize World Cup and watching no club World Cup say so era beba so 2024 omo we 14 July na La Liga so air to so basa next day and amo ye players in vacation on be kon we hen and no deba na Marcos Alonso also there's several clubs from Saudi show interest so munyana omo pe no de ten no yenyina so na ensema do no pay you breaking it down touching it down and knocking it down ejejamu yompo amono nsemo full time tumedie so yemfansa na international Abu Dhabi and abetwafo mfa de akanya no ento so emamo
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby agi se 21st clinic nkwa womuji bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade pa ko a womagidi womu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
wa hese wakosho akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa wa delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se Untimi nchanti me chance na ma na so. Ya keke. Na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry. Ya kako be bia. Say dia. Untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so. Straight. Direct. Sharp. Enti say what provisions. Fuel. Inuro iniane me say bia o pese wo ye bia no. Vodafone cash ama na ye remember ma o. Ye hia obe ya de say. Obe dial star 110 hash. Netua kako merchant bia ho e wo network bia so
Vodafone. Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05 444 444 53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How the brain na me komu. Meda mpano sueni na atom. Na me chika seso na me huna nyina ya me ya. Na die kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aswa ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aswa ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa pa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What man nami relaxation aye de. I want to swear we know woman say Royal Foam mattress aye papa. Eche ye quilted mattress in tea. Woda soa, ama wonna ya foam. Sa woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Yache free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobodie ewo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms, any sales depots a ewo Ghana fanan nyina. Free 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses in general art, science, business, no other couple. Ever St. Andrews SHS, I had dinner ever pass. Osana one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No first one was Yati. St. Andrews, Riviera, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Hurricane Abate, Pico Farm say, Warrington from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Bibiana or Ghana. Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, go school over I'm a Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
From our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals sourced from over 100 meters underground is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, because water is life, but unclean water is definitely no life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet.
I'm not food man.
In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bet. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
And you might see.
Alright, here Momodina Yitimi and Twaso Michael Zarboduana Yemramna, the Akibia Twaso Farman. I'm on quick one on birthday specials. Membo Boswa. Na Yamki and Mina Bibianda. Happy birthday and Farmer Luis Hernandez Chicharito. Oruani Chemo Storm FM Sunyani. Ona Minuewa, Obuejumabwa, Mani Amakuye Kama Pai Timi Ede Emawa, Erera Mitimi and Hernandez. Nyamisha Papa Nomboa na Onyo Akuma Swade and Farmer Bisonko. And Farmer Ofori Desmond, Soldier Man, happy birthday, and Farmer Soldier, na Nyayo Dani Bibi under the years, and Farmer Kama, now to Tiano, and Kuyeso Intimi, and Fa Emma, Yanku and Nimere, the other ones, and happy birthday, and Farmer Mamiki, Miami Chairman, Brasamwa, the wife, no, or Tunsu, a problem, Honowa, in Obridge Mazo Mamiki, yeah. Happy birthday and Farmer Nanya Misha Papa na Bibia and the years so no intimi and Farmer na special one on Farmer mother. I mean say Miki mother the nefi ayi also unimofa. Oko techima unimofa. So unimofa. Yeah. Unimofa.
Oh what I said. And what I said the day anyway you call okay. Oh nice. Where money be?
One fellow follow up. So there is the report about apostle. Oh, the whole Yakoji.
Facebook Live, listen, yeah, then what happened? I must have met those.
Okay. So what happy birthday call? And from Yavisha Papa La Dopia, and Bramwell from the other ones, South Africa. Here, call the special one and call Netimi and from Olivia Nkroma. A.K. Yabintu or Asante Mampon, a new site from Kejobi Sompa TV. So Yabintu, a special one from Farmer Fine Girl, Na Nyamisha Papa Nanema, and the Panafi Sandra Ekia Ama Mwatin. The Papa Kukra, a DA, Sandra Ekia Ama Mwatin. Miami Sandy no. Hey Sandra. Panacea Pharmacy or any chemo Asqua branch on was a happy birthday Roman Famana Nayodano. Nyamisha papa na de opibia emramu kama sono emfama na ntotoye enkoyi kama fama na afi ba ata junior abekum chance team no nza me couple pa no zo chairman a special one ramu intimi emfama na nayoda no nyamisha papa na niamande da yeso no intimi emfama ntiesa edisiete ne di every romantic amameza adena sana anti yanko anim ne hwe the other ones no bada Saki Humble also yes ni o Mr. Nuako Pharmacy orwani nyanso echiemu ewo bibienia eni miaminua Philippiniako say happy birthday nkoma but them zo mfonyini de enduha so Saki Humble special one Ramu Pharma Sompa Sika promotion *256*3# momrana mumbetwa ndi encheme banama ba me first john ntu kwa Sompa Kumase na wachusu eno muntwangum za na konfoje 1000 Ghana muntwangum na mozo no monje mo de nenti *256*3# na wabwa no wanyeska migize bibia hye ye de
abonyame ado bibia kama
Sompa Sports
kremoti a oma on checking the WhatsApp also me the way be ascending
sa
ha on hwe ma me set time mo ma e be ye ho djuma kakra
odi bibia fa ma
Xabi Alonso ne Lionel Messi.
Oh, okay.
He talks about the positional intelligence, the movement and the awareness of Messi. Sorry. It's a time when my but yes, started with Greg Popovich. Popovich is the longest serving NBA coach. America Basketball League normal bono. Ope coach was so much a power a franchise on your Juma Greg Popovich from 1996 deba but on the San Antonio Spurs and the coach omono on almost started omujumedie no right from 1988 as assistant coach. So Popovich with them and obeja wako the Golden State Warriors acquire assistant kakra, then he will return in 1996 as the head coach of the side. But Obabe general manager and vice president of basketball operations. That was from 94 to 96 now. Obey head coach, 96 Obey head coach. He has never looked back. We win the NBA championship 5 times. Waje NBA coach of the year 3 times. And then all NBA all-star teams were coaching 4 occasions. Popovich is the Sir Alex Ferguson of the NBA.
Wow.
Now then you see here. The Okita ball babe to free throw no way Kawhi Leonard. Leonard so ye tried in Fruma was at the San Antonio Spurs. A honey teteno. On a Greg Popovich been a relationship for 7 years.
Oh, okay.
And San Wejawa Koa, then he will go to the Toronto Raptors. He became an NBA champion also there. Then and they Osina Kaidema, the Los Angeles Clippers. There was a game between the San Antonio Spurs and the Clippers. Now ye ball San Antonio Spurs or home court. So now game ne koso no. The San Antonio Spurs fans, the Omoye and say, Omobe the Clippers,
Sompa
players anytime they have the ball. Now, baby, a hit a breaking pointer, a trigger, a Greg Popovich, more kwaje microphone, a catcher fans, and it's a debut. Yani nimi assess house to buy when you're done it. And Timama moon room, and particularly player no kitabo no babeton. Into why would you want to taunt him or boo him? And the na Popovich can say one, it is classless to boo opponent no matter what, and then 2, the boo no teach you see so remember say maybe by osomie and osomie sompa and ma aketua so free mu by edemaye until omomi enti audio ne kakra and then nsem o ka no then I'll put more context to it.
Excuse me for a second.
Pops on the mic.
Stop all the booing and let these guys play. It's got no class. It's not who we are. Knock off the booing.
It is not who we are. It is not who we are. The Spurs were also dominating in the NBA from 2000 day, but now moving here with Tim Duncan leading affairs. They had a fantastic side. They will go to finals. They will win many, and they will lose some as well. Into Omaye Biaji Omudi, but just as in the era of sport, you need team or what dominated throughout. Obe dominate kakra, no way frame, no before Froswa Babe kakra, but Okonwa for your Nyoma ye. And he's on course. He's trying to build a young core who will dominate even beyond him.
Yes.
Why Jumana even the US national side. or the one gold medal. That was the last Olympic Games. That was Tokyo 2020. So he's seen it all. He's seen the lowest point. That was Spurs or history. He's seen the highest point. Until I catch him say, "Mamu, but fans will always be fans, and we need to understand this. Support an idea or no enfano. Wasumo unsumio. The Sompa. So Popovich was trying to paint a picture to the fans, but the fans did not even listen, and they went ahead to boo. It is but it was a class act to get a coach to do this.
Yeah, nice.
Still in basketball. Pobia the statement about a decree about 21st of November.
Yes.
Say omo won kofuko 9 dia. Omo person omo ball mabaso e Cameroon. Now said the highest individual merit award. Say omai no e ball obi ofri krono and omai nim omo bo na baso de was ropa na baso body was ropa no. Omo mfama nipa forway. Madame Olivette Hotel. Monsieur Francis Ngannou, Monsieur Joel Hans Ambid, Anna Dr. Jean N. Nkegason. Two no mudi kind and the otwa to no mon count. Two no mushem finfin, they are sports related and no one sem na mebeka.
Oh, okay.
Bako Cameroon mine teach you sports journalist or money aje. Say about body ebisa e kwadi amana bako de ebufu aba. Explanation in here. Francis Ngannou, the entire Cameroonian media space are happy because he's going to receive this highest individual award. It is because Okoyeno Washenin Chiwaba, and he has invested into improving sporting infrastructure and then providing opportunities for young Cameroonians. Omo person omo fane kwani subi no omo sutimi reach the limelight. So he's investing money. And me ha many nka. He's invested no less than $1 million into Cameroonian sports infrastructure development and sports programs.
Wow.
So say Cameroon for say abasubodi kese wa my name ye de ma Francis Ngannou media na say omojitum. But the original in China is Joel Embiid. Onoba NBA. He is the second African to win the NBA regular season MVP after Hakeem Olajuwon. Olajuwon a Nigerian. He won the award in 1994. Embiid won it last year.
I did not choose.
Exactly. So he's a trailblazer, not just for Cameroon but for Africa.
That's 29 years.
Yes. And a dia waheno, wati Cameroon mining, wati Africa mining for an African to win the NBA MVP. And when a Cameroon for a share on person nabaso, according to Paul Biya. But media honestly they be Abrantia we yenim no. Yenim ni because a man no free and no koi at the age of 15-14 years.
That's only other in Cameroon. No.
Only in then he got the opportunity to practice in the basketball skills in the later. On any story in the crowd, it would have been a different story altogether. Ngannou wanted to be a boxer and call MMA. We wanted to be a volleyball player and an offer a convincing and son of basketball. And there were people who paved the way for Joel Embiid. Bako Didier Yanga. Bako Roger Darcy. Roger Darcy was his coach. Then Luke Mbamote. But the key one here, Joel Tumu.
Oh, okay.
Tumu made an entry to USA. Then he joined University of Georgetown on the Allen Iverson and Nebo basketball. Once a reason in Obia part a different. And Tumu in basketball, but plenty went me more. But he did not end there. So when he dream of playing in the NBA, no, he decided to be the dream maker for the other Cameroonian players. And the first ever Cameroonian or ball NBA NB was Bumche 2001 about Portland Trail Blazers.
What's that brand?
Bumche Ruben Bernard Bumche on the ball NBA the first. Oborie Nipo man akonya man be NBA nim was Joel Tumu.
Oh, okay.
Joel Tumu Kroyano played a part in Embiid. So Oko US akobo basketball. So if there is anybody in Cameroonian basketball history also born about with this award now, it should go to Joel Tumu. And here one of the arguments. Two, Embiid we koyen Onyeskapa. He has not invested or organized any basketball clinic before. Ono no Boko Sangwa Academy. And Sana Luke Mbamote a basketball clinic in Cameroon a year.
Oh, okay.
Bono ko on your basketball clinic ni bida. In Tinkwara no more Cameroon no, they have not benefited from Embiid. Ne basketball clinic and also bemo makunya obetimi akọ te said the ono ye no. again, charge number 3. He has turned his back on the Cameroonian national team. No explanation. 2017, our friend is on Cameroon, our Afro basket tournament and no mobile. It is at the AFCON, I have no football. Afro basket tournament, no more, our friend and one back. Then in 2018, Obekai say he has 3 countries he would like to represent. 1, he is Cameroonian. Obepeso Obama Cameroon. 2, France, because with Nebusian Foni and mostly we relocate to Omoko into Omotowa. And then 3, the USA because he plays there. Waji French citizenship in 2022. Wabe American citizen so he declared this year so Obebody ama USA at the next Olympic Games. So he will not play for Cameroon. But this is the explanation. Where Ojina Hono or Joel Embiid as an individual, but he's an asset to an NBA franchise. Ebia investi sika wonimu millions of dollars and hundreds of millions of dollars. The contract with the Sixers for a 4-year stretch is worth $230 million.
Wow.
Now contract no enya say all share Sixers just your bonko a ehiem say oni wo kwan so call environmental one omo poor basketball playing conditions. 2, almost also poor medical conditions. Yes, or risking health and the fitness. And then I have no money, so and see a kind of mom.
Wow.
So, if so about the Ama Cameroon, so on farmer Cameroon, no restrictions. That's all. Restrictions, and that's what they say. Cameroon as it stands now, any a standard basketball quarter, a year well equipped enough a bit in containing no, on to me more. 2, Cameroon as a national team and you're well organized so restrictions no will limit him being available for Cameroon. In Toronto, can pay body ama Cameroon, but baby ordinity question. A man acquires someone to me born from Cameroon. So these are the issues I want. But the blame they say, even if you not play for the national team, what about investing into basketball infrastructure? What about organizing basketball clinics? And it's a Cameroon for any G2 say, and it's all more man or award now. It is because of DL. He has not helped the league, whether a man or Bema. He has not helped infrastructure. He has not helped national team. Who say Omenyambua directly from Joel Embiid. Aside say, or a Cameroonian, 1J MVP. In Tenuti no must more for award and family. So a story is
now for no more.
I say
what can no be?
No, they are also embarking on an agenda because they feel they should benefit from Embiid more and it should be direct. And yes, or a Cameroon new Akwaji award in T.
But only issue now can in a Bibia more problem pay Bibia we. On the Ghana crown and quadra number 1 mile. You don't know me invest or how.
Exactly.
If you order no baby rough foundation be more
the other time you could be made near there. But chairman the end of
last time from a call keep cool side will be near see a yaba or call. The obo lives the key. Ben Henry.
Benjamin Henry.
Wabako.
On class is so introduce Ghana the chair way.
I'm country.
Yeah.
Daniel country.
So omo pese omo hu Embiid ne direct investment e wo mo basketball nim omo gitum so e Cameroon ni wati omo nim we win MVP wa ye den but there na oyama Cameroon basketball league
bigi mate me ba e be come wa be die ni mani so a che me da se pa na Royal Foam Ghana Limited me kan fan to say the Royal Foam mattress na be dwama so kona kwaji bi Sunday de me konye me amachi me ya to atwa otoso e che pa wato no ye chose nye pa be da so afa adwempa era babra papa na ne ma dadin pa etimi ediama ne boron so wo form amujuma party omo bo modern and the 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award you organize your 20th anniversary mo 24 to the 2nd your mom good award and after 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award yes am omo award ene omo new ultra modern showroom omo diaba omo factory premises so aso kwari mampon fiwa na ko CCC peni kohwe na me say akono okokudu a demo niema bi ahia de bi so dem no ye de bi aba anti Royal Foam Ghana Limited Royal Foam Ghana rest assured for number no ni omo nin komodo ohia bi de be ma 0202 271,000 0202 271,000 Bishop na bibia aboko de
bibia de ni
na eza ankofo ya sesa players ama yezi akofa ni je ni bia ma ho semze buburuja
Africa Union no magunu pampa
ze lord o de bebe for kakra
rem kakra
family room ni enko
we dey I cancel my from an tumbi na Ataba Junior
yeah
Omega
I'm the Mabay Chama who you makaka. About one cabia. In we pay to the canny repay.
Yeah. More Chapa.
Umi.
And I don't only got the man who say, Keneke, performance upon. The new Megi didn't come on about for fans and the machine. Some more camo. Never telephone.
Wow.
Oh, it was terrible.
Sompa Sports.
Chicharito. Oh, Storm. Chicharito, happy birthday. Chicharito, see me, I mean, in the phone. Chicharito, the problem areas in there, I see you.
I offer why a wish you. So I'll say a few on here. I'll call a year, so you're the law.
And not the from
about mother.
Come on, say mother picture.
Mr. Patrick. I don't know what to go here. Wallo. A report to the quick way.
Mompema, Mr. Officer, no, a guy. To make sure.
What if I'm going to be Yaba? Why? We will be Yaba. Will be Yaba. Will be Yaba. I'll be Yaba.
Assembly. Aha. Modern. Okay. Now, why are they mother happy birthday? Mother will take you man. Mission weekend. We call Alex. We call
Sompa Sports.
Mother Albert Menka. They feel the work be a mayfield. On your offer, only in the baby. That's it. Share. Nipa me kɔfrɛ no sɛ mpɛ sɛ mete asɛm no ase sisi ayɛ same animado
asɛm
Yanis Isufu no asɛm
no okay ɔna akɔfrɛ no so ɔbɛkyekyo
not just to even show makan bi mate bi mahwɛ match report saa foul na yɛbɔ tournament a CAF sɛnde yɛ no ɛne wafo no ne din wɔ mu ampa the date of birth correct ɛno ana Yanis Isufu ɔde bɔ bɔɔl na animado na in charge of that under 17 tournament okay cool na oboti a Benin any Cote d'Ivoire
oh okay
sa wafu zone B no akra ni
oh ni
obi nkan cho say we o examiner mani akra
yes
na akra na nkasa ne papa
Sompa Sports
obo Niger national team
yeah
na akra no mum no ye wo ne France preference say name and obo academy football wa na they call Montpellier now no Montpellier any nons eba nons show mu 2-0 no Yanis Isufu no ebam that's when he made his competitive debut in the Ligue 1 16 years 359 days makes him the youngest ever debutant for Montpellier
wow
and he's an attacker ball on the ball against Benin no Shego so at the end I see Burkina Faso no more kroma bi omukwa na yi films ombekaya
yes
ina no mosifo no and no money zamana mafo yo mo share common border into omuni no akra we asem ni nyina ne say ke he played in the Wafu under 17 championship qualifiers for the African under 17 championship for Niger obo we your call na France friend no France the ne ball ne friend no elite phase elite round it's two phases of under 17 European championship ni nyina no Yanis Isufu obobi ma France semi final against Spain no crown or Shebo and they qualify France nso abebo FIFA under 17 championship tournament na de Burkina Faso tournament de Senegal mo buy eno na de omo buy nti
de omo bo we
yeah eno na okoboma France de omo buy nti we are looking at a potential say Burkina Faso could have actually petitioned because omo do mu akrai e wa ha and the laws I've read them it's quite clear
Sompa Sports
you cannot play in the same competition yeah
that's what she be
down yeah but also omo yi ni DFU yeah tournament match we ankasa na ni di ni
aba Senegal for so ni omo uze ni di one list ni
look omo say omo say dey do
oh okay
your roster players submitted for the tournament
oh okay
obi edin so when you're eligible the competition management system will take your name out But we are eligible. Na nema ne yesre ne say France for na akra ne bi nim so obo manager.
France for na nim so obo manager.
So it's a big administrative lapse.
Bishop we BBC ebe ehu pa mo di animu no.
It could be in the middle of a storm. We nearly had a similar situation with Elias Akomach. Akra Barcelona.
Yeah.
Obo
Sompa
under 21 matches. And they say a bit qualify for the Paris Olympic Games, Anna. But that under 21 matches no boy, and it did not serve as a direct qualification for the European under 21 tournament. And they won Beba 2024 games no Paris. Into all switch call Morocco. He is eligible to play for Morocco in the next Olympic Games.
Oh, okay.
But your South tournament na yakobo qualifiers of Morocco na nsemu no. Akrana me bobi. But no under 21 matches are Spain. Na your boy and nye no na qualifiers aye they call European Championship no. In under 21 and no na wow and na qualifier they call Olympic Games no more Europe. Until Elias Akomach no dey different. Lucas in nature.
Nature.
Also bomber England under youth level now until under 21. I know a Toulon tournament no boy.
Oh, okay.
But more
Sompa Sports.
Nature in Nigeria now.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And no they call bomber Germany. Our boy Germany more European under 21.
Wow.
Until we've come close. But what a shared moment say there. So our bot tournament qualifies. I'm our man for na wabebo tournament no ama o man foforo obo qualifiers ni mienu.
Wow.
Obo African qualifiers no Ghana last year June 2022 and obo European qualifiers no Somma France. Obebo man Nigeria ya na France for the so frame na krana nkasa de ye won France.
At your qualifiers will be to my
our nationality.
We are about MSM for so na ban
and the FIFA people, it's also emerging said they were not notified about any potential switch. The moment that Krana Obama Nigeria is a Nigerian for this tournament. Until if there is going to be a nationality switch across the market, then what is going on?
Sompa Sports.
Wow. So this is where we are with Yusufu. In the case, Yanis Yusufu. Oyakra is full of potential and talent, born in the ball. He has so much potential. We shouldn't allow this administrative lapse to determine his future.
But me ba we bit me have France for no time. Na bibi so sa ba Accra we no.
You regularize his nationality.
Bandi biamba.
Debbie, you would have to regularize it. Obanena, you've had a development. The biggest punishment in all this, and they say, look, I said, France and Yamunkofi. But Senegal, the statement above on thing.
Yes.
That's what I'm picking up.
I'm not the Luta, I'm the Luta Crabby did home common idea.
So I'll make the same because Burkina Faso hinted, but Omanye. And as fate would have it, Omo Obutia,
Sompa Sports.
Where Wafu Zone B, where Wafu Zone A. You and Patrick saying what I say.
Mate the Okana Seba.
Wafu Zone A and the Wafu Zone B and Senegal and Mali. Ewa Wafu Zone A.
Yes.
And Wafu Zone B. I mean, yeah.
But the Bakuso, Amana Yemi Kakane say, it is a Yana. Women, Bishop, due diligence, baby, Achumajakuzi. Achumajakuzi, maybe Real Madrid near Conco case.
Oh, Liverpool and MK Dog. Pedrucci Rivella.
I did the change. They shall have the law say, Dino, control ball are no more man fans, but not Tiasi. Bolo. Papa, if I go follow you, ya tell more. Ya tell we the female. I don't tell you what it is. Oh, Coutinho. I'm going to be Bishop.
Sports.
Wow, that's what man. Fast voices say I'm crying too much. No, they DBI, dear, we Bishop. We Guinea. We family.
We Guinea. We are France.
We do for France.
Yeah, we
do for France.
Strasbourg.
Yeah, whatever from a Bible.
Matthias Amugu. We only Cameroon or
Benin. We go Amugu there.
Yeah.
She will.
Wo su ya Africa.
Ebi a wo ni bia.
Simon Boabre.
A wo ni bia.
You can bit my Abidjan is.
Na wo ni bia.
We North Africa. Ismail
Mune bia. Eyo Morocco le oji ya.
Wo ko de oji na Tunisia. Ah. Florence na Congo.
I destroy everything.
Tidiam Gomis.
Very African.
Well, a bit more free. Omo islands ni bi so.
Sa Guadeloupe ni we.
Tidian Diallo.
Mali.
Onye Mali or Guinea.
Sompa Sports.
Mohamed Amin na.
Ayi Morocco ne Tunisia for Nigeria for ni bia.
What's so?
Unia.
Now wait say Guadeloupe.
Maybe Guadeloupe and Guadeloupe money way. All baby na. Same. We so sa Guadeloupe for ni bia. Babe anyway.
Yanis Isufu.
Niger for attacker. But I was this one coming to me car. Sorry, it's your child. It's your job, yeah. Inform coach. This man Kobe Mensa.
So, okay, this is the bigger problem, but you see, it's murky. Internet to be a football republic. Munyo muhabu trend. Se me sure say Ghana ne koye sa di we ya.
Kaneno. Kababia
no. Zakre couldn't bench for Kobo. But this should tell you, even at that level, these lapses could happen. What you say? Football near them run a bull.
Sompa Sports.
One crata send Viviano. I told the BA form and so.
But unim say like we know. Say Bane said to say the Oka France film be you probably ready do.
Oh yeah, you make chance this year. Oh no. Oh please. Technical secretary to the team. Look, report to be on Metro near Juma with the Bayano. Cabronia same day Jack Crab. Everton for the plans.
Share Baye. I be mamma and I'm a map.
I'm say, we can't send no year pa. Every play no more they coffee had the hammock and cry.
Are they?
Because yes, say a baby mubu about what has the crab got to do with migraine? Say a piety area. Cut on the fan home.
Don't you
Adi ya mode be fa park easy. Omo sha say na about for the story by say I think of we are super there. And the Manchester City and the Chelsea could
Sompa Sports.
And then match kese pa ewo England this weekend. Manchester City and Liverpool. Omo the aeroplane ko fa no omo the ade aboto. Say nka ki match ya boy efasa dey we go. But unlike Cotton, Manchester City they move 3 because they've been accused in a particular field. And they won 2. Ian Bain, Labour MP for West Derby, Liverpool. So on the actual movie early motion said, look, this is grossly unjust. On person Everton form. Everton Premier League headquarters. Everton Ebeba Etihad. Sansuna Ombe Huru Premier League anthem no. Say a bar. Any fair play for player handshake no. Now, this is what Sky for now imagine say they would increase the volume to dwarf the stadium noise. Until the crowd to TV. To the umbrella no. Why can't people demonstrate in peace? Why can't they demonstrate in peace?
I'll grow with my own power.
And then how we
never be our best over the energy.
Okay. So what is about human rights there? Ukraine for the Russia for now Israel and Hamas for it should give you a fair idea. Send your mom now
what is almost is that DNA sign will be so almost so far supported my baby is already supporting gay for lesbian for is that I don't want to have a story you know also already supporting Ukraine for let's have the support unless France is it almost say almost far support to give for that Bishop Adisa Nekozi Zebeba.
If it come up,
Apostle Brana, here na minutes kakara career for you. For a moment, 21st can examine Kevra Josebra, Nabra Bibramu, Ewo Australian Wall, Najiwaya is a Siatica home como, what transama to a Sintino Etrichon, on until Brett, Macasa Siatica Comonotia, 21st clinic, or Mona Bomodia Yuma Dunjma, et is a Real Madrid Champions League, no, Tiama Memoir, Ekuja. ye papa mo transiche no momra na 21st ken bebo am yarewa no yesi futi so ba besi una ase no ye bre ne aboa na ye yisa haw no nyina etimi re fioti haw bi akọ na nkofo fi amano ne ebejo ma ya isa wo Ghana ha ema ya yenku na ya 21st ken ken bre na ya boa no we Ghana so mo laba ye be check ne obi bia ye ne she na fiscal services no ekoso e wo maso ye massage na care Friday the after work to fa na gym machine treatment no e more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo bu ejuma Kumasi Area Overseas Junction na for radio Boase Council Quarters call junction be nyoma crowd do me market to nyoma sunyane enkranza techima bibia omo bu ejuma 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 frena kan hawo ye be ma wadru a ebeboa side effect bi anima na mekwe de mana mo Sompa sika promotion enche me bana maba be me draw no enti star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na boa na ne ma de da ye pay me ra apostle akwaba na bibia bokọ de.
Oh yes, I'm do bibia but was it France for umbe wiasa? No, there's nothing wrong with their policy. Anti ozu person you bet me be policy not to prevent you from doing that, but so you kata assembly yeni some money policy money anya broni but maybe before of course yeah to bet me here I to go omni Ghana for team yeah so bet you policy now be an aggressive but for the right people I mean more in the when you to do the thing. Of course, yes. We do it at a tender. You are more time on money every brain. So there's so Nina, oh dear, no, it's part of your plan. Say, baby, me come and no. At the end, say me Ghana for your war mobile over the 8 years, 9 years of academy. Yes, that is only my phone didn't come up.
As only bishop the Ghana players or Mudia Castle of Farm or
oh, baby. As I almost did Ghana, so they be only said Jumanova. And oh, yes, and in Ghana, we are football quite a bit. Did you want to be in Ghana or you be and normal? I may say, oh, be a football, be a Sunday.
Football is why I don't want to be there. Passport.
So, idea football, the way there, one way or one bet you obey. Oh, young player, no pass. Sometimes situation in my basa, but when him say, what watch here? Clear nature say yenya ade no wa watch African teams on ball qualifiers no also be obia lose away me come mom ya ade so say Egypt e ko Australia so go share to me boy e wa we Algeria so Algeria come Mozambique go share too Tunisia e ko share 1-0 against Malawi me boy na Morocco in Tanzania go season. Morocco for sure. Senegal, Kobodro. Burkina Faso top nation in football there. Mamukra ko share 3. Ewa Ethiopia. Mewa. So Cameroon ko Libya. Kobodro. So we share notable nations now. Like football mo ya there. Omania Brazil ka Brazil ko only that is the difference. Clear, that's the difference. Maweka Semicho say Wale Rigagui or best team Mukakra. And because look, me believe say yes, Salim Amala a good player. As I do now, but amount to Harry. The teen because work up no pride before. Now they are in this game against Tanzania, or is he Harry? And he was superb. Ono never creative problem to play. Ono born a very creative and skillful player. Banitinya. Now, Adi Bakunswa, Wale Rugagi, which is good. Adi first now, but I'm saying, you say, who share match no boy, or is he Yab El Kanusi, Rams, small boy, 19-year-old boy, no, or born behind Yusuf and Nashri. Now, in the second half, for the Emma Richardson, under 23, under 23. Born over PSV under 23. He brought him. Abde Ezezuli, Betis under 23. Now, what he did was that one or drop Abuka Zakaria. Omon ko work up no or drop in for purposely for this match. what he's doing is or integrating the next phase of the Moroccan national team through the under 23 for no. And the umpires they played so well. And he also Abdulrazak Hamdallah or Yemu Frim, Zakaria Bo or Yemu Frim, Abdulhamid Zabari or Yemu Frimo. Azedin Ambo, Selim Amalambo, now he used the young guy. Omu established the team dada. But Oshe Dachin say, and I say be a bit pra. Omo Ombe take you over. That is a mark of a very good coach.
That's Oshe Dachin.
Oshe Dachin was starting under 23 for no Omu, and this boy, all the boys for you. Omu there, but they did very well. And he's starting them now in a World Cup qualifier away match. About 4 of them. Yes, and for me, that is a mark of a good coach who is looking beyond. Now, what's say under 23? Oshe match is in here.
Match is.
Final match, fantastic. Tinani what team no. Nani wa hono so Okoshe and Kolana mo ya ade no. Ena our friend Kolana mo ya ade no. About team no, and they did very very well. And me see Morocco because eba AFCON mo nya ade. Ba for bakoro mo GNT. But I want to see say Morocco do semi-finals no. Edi ensronku ena omo de free ho eba AFCON no. Look, they have one of the best squad in Africa. The best compact team in Africa currently was World Cup. Nemu ahano omuba ehana ehasam. So mbeshe how they are going to play in African competition after getting to the World Cup, which they've never done before. Now, replicate here no AFCON na. Until America was one of the nations are difficult to beat. That's why we can't be cup finals mystery no, because we move. No, assassin in Yamahu. Who can say before the left and Koyama so Menkwasa. Boake, it was a disaster for us. Boake. The late Kojika from Sotias and Gobizan Boake was a disaster for Ghana. And the assassin the Enyamai. So Morocco, I think Unipano boy, Sofiane Amrabat. A boy, yes, he played. And Oboni back for Yasim Onse Noze Mosarawi onye leg back. But he prefers playing him than Atiyat. Now about Ashraf Hakimi, Naif again, and Roman said, look, these people and Yasin Bonipo, these people, that's a solid squad. Yes, we are going to watch them. Now, I'm going to Triano. Once I am some boy Triano, I'm going to go away. Papa be often Asias Afweki, who Nima, who Shen and Nima, who said, when you Bonini. Only thing I was a third down for Papa. We Eritrea ni Ethiopia war 30 years, we never baby. And our presidency in 93. Oh, sorry, only constitution. Only budget biada. Only from 93. Only parliament. Nienti o mama bana se. Omo ba mbe dwane se na se Sekafa Cup no. Omo ma enum omni Uganda no. O dwane ye. Enti on person players no be dwane akosiki Polika Asalo nti. O choma kwifa azmaza. Ye mbo qualify bia anko bebia obi anko bebia. Nienti Morocco match number so no.
To mo qualify no mumbo.
Debi wa twom mo from so mbo.
Ezo mba Morocco adodo na sa.
Because the man no dey ayom. Nancy Amabobo no Sekafa. That's since 93. No ni mra na emra. Any Supreme Court be ho.
Bishop. Only apostle mo na bacho Africa law. Onye shows ayi tete bi dey say bofo no consoro ye to bi mu asase so. Eza bofo ni bi na benye ma na wo Africans. Me pacho
me no ya adwen.
Apostle onye.
Ko ye ni ye no wachi.
Nyanya me niama na ye yo. Aburo no do so. O ti kro mu ba aburo je so bi ko be gadi ti wa yi da fi.
O bi en kokra.
Bishop Zabo for near Venice. I'm on to talk
about Sunday school.
Sabakun Lucifer there, on the headmaster.
I was a Lucifer on the headmaster.
And so for me, it's unfortunate, but a political decision that he has taken. We are footballer or sacrum, unye baby of born compared to because Papa no qualify for that's how sad some people are living under tyranny or minds. So sometimes maybe the Ghana at least you imbued a man and sometimes the peace you enjoy, you won't take it for granted. Okay, for baby, no better as you say, and no. Now, also Cameroon, Rigobert song Esien Juma, just like the way also Aliou Cisse, Enya Botre Esien Adie, and now one Aliou Cisse ye transition the team, and to share Senegal team here. Also Ishmael Jacobs eba up. Now, also Youssef Sebali, Ali, your friend, Piu. On said Sisiano, Pate Sisse Moba, Ilman Indiae, Eba Kakra, the young guys are coming to the team. Nicolas Jackson Eba. The same thing is what Rigobert Song is doing. Now, Osha only leave your match now. That is like a second team because Fabrice Ondua ended up post. Center back Jean Castelletto, the ball right back. Yes. Meanwhile, right back, no say Collins Fai and Ambrose Youngo, the ball. Now, Darling Youngwa. Young talented left back. No Tolu under normal circumstance, no Tolu. But he called him for the match, but we are understudy that boy. And then Christopher Wu, so can World Cup. Brazil, Cameroon, Christopher Wu, 21-year-old Christopher Wu. Yes, and Christopher Wu, Omar Gonzalez, the boss center back. Omo Harold Makudi and Martin Hongla. Now in midfield, Olivia in Chami or Shego. Any Frank Zambo Anguiza. Unipana Zisiano, Sam Goyaman and Yabrino. So Pierre Kunde did not play, Sam Goya did not play in the midfield, and then also Omo Gael Ondwa so in the midfield. Clearly, anymore, who's this junior Chamedi? The only experienced player Obo anymore, Clinton Inji, and then Brahim Bimo. So Carl Toko Ikombi did not play, Vincent Abubakar Ambo, Chupo Motin Ambo. That is Andrew Nana. So that is a team, a top team on its own. So we're mobile like the bench players for the team. So our squad in depth, our first team and also good bench for the AFCON.
We know crowd.
Until we share that the way mobile, which is a gamble, a far, something I mean born Barcelona and far, yes. So all my boy on any day 90% of them will start the tournament. Andrew Nana is number one. Fabrice on the first game, Andrew Nana apply and Fabrice, Fabrice ever die. So they are planning proper transition and are almost taking risks to make sure the more quality first team and the squad depth. Like Burkina Faso game, Bertrand Traoré came from the bench, Gustavo Sangare came from the bench, Ismail Ouedraogo, Stefan Key, Obo Yanga. You see him here, or the top, yes, as is Stefan Key on the boy. So you see the coaches are planning Burkina Faso.
I'm planning for we know AFCON.
Yes.
But the is that yeah.
I mean you could see. You could see proper squad planning. Omo for somewhere that boss on the match and taking risk. Until Dango Ouattara, who is the darling boy of the team, on the boy, but Jibril Traoré, he dropped them to the bench to make sure so one more opportunity to hands by the ball. So look, the AFCON, like I'm saying, trust me, you remember.
I want to say, you remember, you before say near my bed down in my main court. Now true what? The hope. Diana, Renania, my funny idea. The Mamako, true what to be for us. And I'm in the come. Obey Aqua, but I be able to call there.
Over the accommodation, I swear.
Mr. Roya Pa. Then Dupano, your Bonnie Bobby Dune come on to Chibe and a TV now. And Dupadia and one in no true what or product or Ababi Ram. Obey, they may find.
Odisha mama muni adwuma na memfa enchia so kese pa ma ahwefo nyina mo mutie Sompa Sports enne eye ayaresa kwan na mebebo ato na ye nyina yatimi afa so bie na biribia so se de yade ada ne hankra sem afoforo ku mu a ye de anante a na ye se nidaso asa no yesu atimi nya nidaso bodua bia som ne ahye ho den na mtru ati no yakofa free India memu e de abakuruma se na atimi abo an ye pa ama yatimi ade ho kra enne meni mahwefo edi nkomo na yabie ye ho ani afa yade ahodo a edi nipa dem titiru ene dompemu hawo se wahwe se de kuruma enne yasetena yabrabo na sia ye no a ebre bia woda seni bia eko se bi obetimi anya obremu asade anaso obetimi anya sika bi onipa bia so ade ba ko e wo se wo hye ne nso ne se ansena ba onipa bi be complain se misisi ye me ya ma chirika se emututume me dwonku me hanu mo edwa me dompemu ye me ja no na eye anamuntu ahodo bi a bere bi awutuo ebetimi aye wadwuma a woye ebetimi aye stressa ewo wo so etimi boaboa no na akofasa wa hawe nyina de abrɛ wo nipa udompe anasa wo kase na ye wo kase no se de nyankopɔn nimde ni nyansem wa hyehye wo nipa bi a udompe no dompe no ewo ba bi ebehia kase bi a ye wo joint a ebehia wa apɔ no wa apɔ so no na wo nipa bi a wa apɔ so no broni wa kase bi a wo kase ye frɛ bibi cartilage na ye twi kasa ne ye kan se eye gregrew sa cartilage no eye gregrew no eserve as a cushion eno na boa se be ya dompe mienu bia no emma mekansie ni wo ba bi fa akona entwie na woyɛ adwuma wo kɔba wo to brɛ mu pentenkwa na sa cartilage eye gregrew no eno so we
okay
eti area no e wo se wunya adu abrɛ bia ebetimi ama sa cartilage no wanya foforo emma dompe no kansie ni prekope enti obi wo hono mu a obense wa hya ase kompreni obi wo no mu a wasimi kotodwe ya me ya mesisi mu dwa me machiri kase me de me ho a enne eye dompe no a eye bibi e hye ho e fe ne cartilage a eboa emma dompe ni timi de afusane no na awie enti ama dompe ni etwi enti obi wo no ko ben wa osori a wo teke gra wo ni dompem obi wo no wo ye bibi ate se dompe ni mu ato me maame bi kompreni me nua adwadini ba bi tini suo me nua bi obobo eso so kasa se ni dompe emu dwa no eye wo dompe no na ehwie se wo benya aduru betimi aboa wo dia bomodin ase true word for aduru akofa fi India memu aba eye frɛ no joint fortis no eno na wonum bia ebeboa wie pa na sisi dompe no wo ha obi abo atenase wo mu na ade ba ko wo se wo hye ne nso ne se onipa bia sa wo hwe ye nan a anase baabi a ye dompe ni hia se de meka no a ye wo homa mienu bi ye san wo esafa na asafa sei na sa dompe ni ye frɛ ayi sa homa no ye frɛ no ligament intendant na etimi ye mre eti sɛ ye mre sa no a emma ahoɔden bi a kane no na wo dompe ni mu a emma ni nkansi so no bun sa ye mre sa no na agye asi so prekope eti sɛ wo tie me sa bre wo dompe mu hawo ɛwɔ a wotimi sɛ wo na ni twi obi won ma ensuo toto se ya wo benso wa hya ase kompreni ye mesasaburo ba sasaburo bi ani ho na emom ɛyɛ duru a wunyanya nomye ɛbɛboa wo ntina wo kompreni sa bomɔden akoba bi etu no bi a wo so petru word for do makofa free India memu aba ye frɛ ne joint fortis na ye dompe ɛyɛ kase mu adwuma sɛ wo yɔ hyenkani wo tena se a wo behu sɛ wo sisi dwa wa joint fortis na bɛboa wo sɛ wo yɔ obi a wo si akan ɛwɔ agoprama so a minua footballers ya mutie be bomodin ase obepe joint fortis no timi anon bi na timi ye wo kase mu adwuma na wo no obi crash a wo hu se ampa wo no maduro na dompe mu ankasa ayedai ayedin hye ne so se yenu ayekofa banyina efri India memu na ye de aba se wo pe wo man pa omunim se de sike kan han ye tete frefra keka bom de samfono funtum dadan ya de tu ya de ahodo ase a na ye India fo enu nti na yekofa sa omunu pani bi di abakruma se media number ni tudwa bomodin ase wo befa homa brefo madwai na wo so afra ni enu wadi nkomo number ni 020 65 95 707 ana 0558 72 4302 Mrs. Subio 0558 72 4302 odofo a wutie misabri yade ba ko a se odasani bia etowa na mo ni da so asapa ye ani ho hawo onipa bia wani na okanea na se okanea dum na odasani so adusum enu ntima amene papa me nua ba wo hyenkani odi adefo afna onipa bia wutie misabri e bia wani ho hawo wako hospital doctor ahyewa ka kire wo se wani no pressure abaso ema wakumentu eyo optic nerve no wani ntini no ne ho aka se wodasani bia akora ye bodwa na se ye de ense kire mpanifo mo edi akotene mo e se ye ntinifo na tia no we kire ense onipa bia wani ntini di akotene enu ntina optic nerve no se ho ka wo hospital na doctor ka kire wo se pressure aba wani so se wo pedro betimi aboa na besiesie wani na ade ben wa hu ade wa akira na ye kusu amaw obi won mokura amana da ho hu prekope no watom obi ani timi twa nkyene saa kan ne yase fefi abo wani ase obi won mo behu ne nani no kosua no esora ho no bosumi bia wo kompleni se nani ho no eye true word for dry frɛ no vision capsules eno na eba beji wo how bia bo atenase woni ne so na atimi ama woni no ahoden aba entini ni mu ama wo so atimi anya ahoden sonko pa mesa de number no etudwa bi bomodin ne fa frɛ ye ya de bi atiti wo bia enye de maboro sonko ya de bi e hawo bia
word for the Hodru Abakroma say, Yen Runi free India memo, na Ebo Juma Pa. Your number is 020 65 95 707 and 0558 72 43 me de mensam ne kwa wie no odofo wutem celebration nso ye pa wo ye bema na wutie me a ebia wanya prostate o hawi bi na prostate hawo no ye yade bi a etete mema pa kan ne ye kasa obenya prostate hawo a ye de ani kire ye wo fanom ye agya no mo manya mfihia na aduesia kro ene de wanya mfihia na aduonu nwotwe a 28 years a bomodin asa obema o prostate ne ho ahia wo pa ne ntia wano wiase memaduro nyina so ntimi nsole nyina brane aphrodisia hudu a wo chibu ye funu mu na nso ntimi nsole nyina brane ne se o prostate ne ho atechema onipa bia nyankopon nim die mu no prostate no on se baby a wo jonso to ane da no nyankopon de ahoma bi atomo a befa wo be manimu eti se prostate ne ye kese a wo be hu se emia ahoma no eno ntina preko pedwonso kan wa wo betimi a problem se ye deni na dwonso ma obi aya se timi dwa ne saa obu ane be ma otimi sato ne nsem se no wo posa ne se de wo posa yie no eye o prostate no ene ho aka etimi nua wutem sabria bomode akọ ba bi etonro o se petrol for do friend prostate tablet eno na be boa wo na sisi o prostate no na asako kenya wo testosterone no na etimi aboa wie pa ama wankasa wanya atenka wo hia oba on se ni pempo no na wo kondo na wo ni hia so wo mpemu atimu se bibia aye tote e de ama wo de fa number no mesi ya de bi etete wo frɛ yɛ na yensa ni nkomo number ni 020 65 95 707 0558 72 43 so wo do ani kyerem otafo ɛyɛ supreme council abɛka yɛ no ni bi pampa so eso Costa Pharmacy promise boy pa FM ena Chanak Pharmacy so takrade anaji ena fe efie nkwanta herbal so clinic okohod mo takrade on sabeka mi hillside enkoko bebi e to no bia wo de wo so o petrol word for no makofa free India memu aba no na ebetimi abo wi pa odofo meja okwan na me hye onkran hye ode aka kire se empanisi edua no osefo na ehunu nyansa entu ase nemum otwa so enti me hye onkran se enidaso e wo ma na mfife yim se ne yade na pompo akodu bia no nyankopon e wo enidaso edima medas
ati anu ye kome kokodi e wo True Words amo asweni na ase ri pa no etimi abandi zero ti anu True Words vision capsules and afi prostate live ni nyina na ye nre dia bebe bo ama na ma dade era ma me fortes and afi joint fortes lady fort ni nyina abo modern na ogibia ebe bo na sisi na ma koye pa etimi e dia manti ne de sero kan no ni fi India na aba na ejuma ebo no ano edempa ti also kona okokoji medamo me bape yetia sivina afa fi se yedi nkoma na monso pasika promotion do stage na me ba be draw no nti eba ne se na mutwa ne 7788991010 no ti star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na ram na boa ma ne ma koye pa etimiera ma kwa Sompa Kumase twagum enche me ba na ma ba be draw no medamo me ba ya pe afisem no eto aso etimiera ma
Sompa Achedie, Yaba, Sompa Achedie, 2023. Bible say, Nyame Sompa Pani say, Ubi ko nyanka, eni erisiamo, enutina Sompa, 93.1 Kumase, Sompa, 90.7 Nkransa, Sompa, 98.9 Sunyane, Yakabom, Sebronye, Yebema enisia, eni ekrafo, editi, na yankuwa yetini, ajise obe buayen, enti seye sika, fatua humatrufo iso, 0598-559802. Meeting 0598-559802. Edi also yeta one media. Branya Bosone. Nina toswenti yomu bako. Ni beboja trada. Na dia modu timo yenu. Yedi ama ekuna. Some papa dia mu ye. Onye nkuku fusu mu so ko. Efi se dia mu ye. Ti se bi si ja. Se le fa se fi fra kwafo. Enyanka, eni bonus. O mu ni bie. So ne kra se. O ko mu ni bie. Ye bi bi fe. And so mo dia afema mana pusu. Everybody won shira mo. Bible see you who perform. Everybody be shira. So mo ku perform. Everybody shira mo anu mo kese. Papa m so be mo kese pa. Amen. Na yesika, na yetuma so a. Wo betimi de aba. Avenso say niema bi ense ye. Ti say mo ene yanwa so a ye beji. Mo a mo ye bi afie twa mo no. Emu adanse de die. Mo a mo nim. Sompa akyede 2023. Abusuafo, yɛmfa yɛn ho hyɛm na proposi prepa obo adupɔnkɔ mu. Yɛnya nkopɔn. Obeyiye wiye. Sompa akyede 2023. Ekunafo ene enyanka ne so. Wo mo betiti.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me nanu me bisa ekwa so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afei na mebeko. Men krata krani.
Hey, ani me ma connection man for den kofo secret dwani no wenye otu edidi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adalmenti. Akwentu aye for. Opese oti kwan kosua de a. Express Group do be call mind to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour na say visit in so a. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso. Obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more mature for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. You Ashford.
Nah, you deny Ashford dear. That's so evident no way.
Who that the evidence babe? I don't Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya moku hu. Ashford Princess and out work could you so Ashford Galaxy. Would you na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly.
That Ashford toothbrush card.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do a dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me bow do domi ye gani bia akwashishaho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na ko fabe gaso. It's 440241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will so winning.
November to remember. So we have food for thought near November. And your faith anniversary and the Liberty Conference. November edition. Ultimate new free. Oh my ya edu watching. And we April. On Yamia Manitu. Our food for thought to 14. Some November. Liberty Conference. Epe pass on Yamini Muadini. And Fishem. Samoa Yakasa. O Yefri Yohani Yadi. Siad Yonubako. Chichemusia. Revelation chapter 21. Verse 6. Or say. It is down. Jimadiana Babasu Kumasi. Jubilee Park. And no pan on what you pepe. 25th November. I am in Atu Ora SK Ora Kwakujes. F.A. Gray. Sandy Asari. And a resident minister. Minister Kwame Jeto. Petu Chum. I'm a Yamel Kong. Otifia the metaphor. 25th November. Liberty Conference. Na Onyankro Pontry as the Kusach. Kankania or Danis Obish. No Bekach now say. It is done. Oh, glory, glory, glory.
Bwakojo, what badia? There's me muna minari wadamfo e. Na me no. Affair is not coming home.
After the would a wood wukun. And it's why better son. Who can't tell us a pair or buff for her babixa, Ebreno.
Or buff for her bamista. Any he been them. So cross, you know, be more go.
Kwaku, net is saying, and cool ye bro, Jamie with you more yummy pan, wasn't. And maybe problem on our come was some, and no be pepe. And a mixer, mediano, menum or buff for her babixa. And I'm to seeking cake. Sister Missia, no me chashi. The wife grand so muka cracker. I told her no so the aba. I'm not quadano era hubasa. And you go for her by Mr. Nodia. You be here in Tampa. Oh, when you been more, that boamupa. Where the turmeric garlic go to cola and a ginkgo biloba. Turmeric garlic woman and your papa. And you bravo munti.
nti awodiri woma kasa aduro yi enye ma apemfo abata wama manufo ne nkwada wonye mfe dumienu dodo a last chance herbal and healing center pram 52 pharmacy Kaswa Obom road and pharmacies in herbal shops one contact here 0574 353 707 and 0531 541 755 or Buffalo herbal mixture
FDA aji ejedi nkrato yatum.
We are back bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their phone too, with free play Friday and swipe bet.
I'm not food now.
In the middle, you've got all the control with cash out and build a bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, they have smart picks and the partial daily jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
And you want to see.
Alright, ya momodina ye timi to aso kama pre timi farmanti afise no ye tiasi na ye didi di on komo na nche me ba be me first draw no mama mre kakra magaze mre we no twagu musa na be diska star 256 star 3 hash obonesa obonse ni Sompa sika promotion ebi ya me Sompa kumase fafa ho ohweme utie mi okumase mpatama waje di agumu saa wo ho yo Sompa sunyane mo amo sunyane mpatama no ebe for na Sompa nkranza mo amo nkranza na ma fonti star 256 star 3 hash na ewram na aboa na bibia akoye peramanti mama mo mre ansa na meye draw no maka se this run ye ma hwe kwa ye be ma nso wanya sika na odi ato ho na da bia no odi bia didi na aboa na dwuma de bia odi bia no akọ kama panti muntwa mfangum na me baba be draw na mabomode na ma nso no wadi ni World Scientific Clinic and Diagnostic Services ni Dr. Nimo oh ni what ejuma oye no ano edin dodo ni ranze ne doc say oyo oba na wa wudi mu hawo enam so ama wo no kra wan ye din ne timi era mo beboa na onso no saa hawo no nyina to etwa no echi no osan boa siesi ma himfio e ma hawo bi ewu bia no etimi efio eze ne opeso tighten ase ho a sere be ya bibi be chiche ebe ya kono niema bia wo bia enye bia no ebefu adok or special was ade no wabo ma ne nkofa wa ya so yie papa ana afro babo so me so obunza na ka odwe fibroid ho sensem ana namia ye nso no dunya e ade keto akra etimi ade manye no nko ye mema no so no se bize bi utedua no ana babedua no wanya haw kakra e wo ma de chi ade sen fon ana e fon so no ye bo ba asasi zo no wade ni so a e dia ma girls ne ya no mo de rules akwana de na ise nkruma ne nyina akọ bema na ebula wagya wo na so emu ayedin low spend count no waye de fimo na onso no wabomodin yi wache a na hyehye na koyi pa etimi edi amanye no nko e no ye yezo obi a wokasa pampan na eba na nyentu ukonipa ma edin so obekasa halitosis ni nyina no oyi edi fiwo wo kinimu ha liver no ha kakra ho hepatitis ABC and African cancer hypertension stroke and diabetes no and prostate no nema enkoye etimi afama wani aye owa osa osisi untimi nda ojonso moje di chani no he ebomode edu djuma kwa obedo so ohun bibi aye ne hye wabo etimi aso ano kama pa etimi era manti o lab e wo no ma or the check his scan services no kwada machines or the check on Kumasi and ya no sinkonya Kumasi no wani chemu atonso mu na ko junction a osi adanso ya bang no ubenya no hade no eye juoda bia kokusi memenda anopa no so abode apa mu ko ekokusi enyume no nsi ankran so no wani chemu circle inside Fotorama Obengoyu station no o sit NS chemist so no doctor say ya woda edi ramu memenda no so abode apa mu kokusi enyume no nsi a fa na number na no eni nkomo 0244 087687 0244 087687 and 0279 087687 0279 087687 yambwa nani amandida yepa etimi enfama kama na tutu no so no enko enfama sidani bi so no netimi enko emfa emma ene express group makansa manone nkomode hwa na wo so twafa na yeboa na so de so no etimi ebam na tie ni ze okwakosi ade wa manone a fan scholarship on sensema express group enye no nko yesi na admission na pen wa manone international exams tuition registration no ni na be na ndetimi aboa express group so kwa koye adwuma amanone agiska bebre eri egu buto ana holidays bi na akọ di tour na peso kwa eno so express group be na ya boa na edward ramti amaman no bi se Canada USA UK Australia New Zealand Germany ene de ka ho no mo bomode ye adwuma na simple kra o number ni 0249 000 448 0249 000 448 na 0555 550067 0555 550067 at 0552 827 787 0552 827 787 frɛ na ne ɔmo ni nkɔmɔ Ghana bibia ɔmo yɛ adwuma Kumase Asafo Labour about to be ɔmo Accra Kaneshi first like to ɔmo Tema Community 18 last be girlfriend to be ɔmo East Legon ɔro ani akyɛ mu ɛwɔ Trinity Theological Seminar ɔmo ɛbɛn hɔ ɛna Takra the Market Circle opposite Hot and Nesto Fast Food Sunyane ɔro ani kyɛ mu Silver House na kyɛ so ɔmo ɛbɛn High Court no Tamale ɔmo bɛn Tamale Technical Hospital na bidieni ɔmo bɛn High Court no Rani Amboa na ne man did the international break in aquari apin weekend yi yɛsi bounce back yɛkɔ yakwa ku discuss tetwem na betway ene yakwa ku discuss no www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh eno ram on site wa obetimi download the app no ana ko Play Store obe download the app no avieta ne ade ne namu wo ha na de omo de abed depa na yese ye obebu atwo 100% on site o okrekewa the golden booking code neba na eba we have fan form tactics na ucha from 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana you do a sika na send them back did be afafa ho udisu asika say tetwem bebrebe na waje na aboa manema kwira ma de yanze when you do fie du nwotwe e na omo nhihye omo ye bia no so na omo qualify so omo de ye terms and conditions ya de omo apply e wo omo dwuma de bia omo edimu uru omo vendor bia na uze ne omo posters ni bi boss ye top up na afa wohwemu na top up no ya yebeboa na onso no watimi enya akyede bibiri na aboa na ne mada ye pa etimi ediama na sompa akyede no yaka se na ye maame mo a ye papa mo fi mi jo mo ye nuanom a o maame ne on papa fi mi jo mo ya na ma setan na reho pa titru ye time ni du na festive period say na na akweze ono ma wo fi adwo mo ni no no mo amo kakra ba sompa ya fatu yon ze be mo manije no ewie pie na be dwumadie no na ye ka behwe aye fefefe na niam akoyi a je se obo moden edo nso no ho hyembi na aboama ntoto na akoyi pere amantimu nkomo no kitu ebie nso a odi niam bia bebesom o sendis ka so ye begine adas nkofo edo mo rum no aboama niam akoyi pere amamti niam no ebi dize mo anwa baye tin tomato sardine milo anase biscuit o de bebeje niam bi dize ntama ntade ebi nso dize school bag books pen beshi shoe and toothpaste and toothbrushes out on any seminar and also the baby so me abomodin adawase kofo ya na manyame ashomanamu make us say kakra abomodin wonso wetimi dia to yenkra se enje ne emfambo adwumadie na keto bia nso a yebeso nyame nso be hye wana mu ntifa na bai na pe kakra to so mai na nyame mboa na odi o se bia na mbra mu emfama 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 o send the beba no One Media ana Blessed Foster dina beba no One Media ana Blessed Foster etie no Maria na menya me draw no de di kan me kwede ba na fiat yesi na fisem na ba kevin beba na ya hwe na ya rerema tuzu wa konya so betwa Sompa sika promotion na wadi star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na boa na ne ma de di mpa etimi ediama na won sere tutuye no esi etie ni di erama nti mamre na me first draw no embra na mon pike mame na me hwe na no na afi mi nyine mbra na no pe onye ne 500 cedi hyehye emfa nko me ba be pija mi muso a me bɔ modern na second draw no etimi eram kama pedamanti Garen fa ne hwe nipa obɔ modern na no p 500 Ghana cedi no wetimi age ti the lucky number no 0598 277 said the final free year this year 0598 277 ti ono e na abɔ modern a eni no oye the lucky arena abwa manema de di so no etimi e di ama no eduzu wakonya so bobo modern na wadi star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na abwa na ibidi akoye pe etimi e di amount yenche ne ne be di nkomo na mo ntwaguma last one me ba na wa be ye ya na krabo ma me dia mo video no me dia ma kwakudu kayo mpatemo ni nyina no it is a weekend di omone ali boboko na de bo ni the CAF Champions League ena omo wese bibia ebe de ye pe etimi era mo na nra omo fi Ghana no ye didi ho nkomo ndi etimi e de cho omo kokodu ye no so join ye na hwe video ne kakra na hwe so omo kokodu ye ntoto ye ne sietie ene ne mewura mu ne sere nhihye no na esie kono otum ze na ya de a na ehyi kama pre etimi era mo boabo mo na bibibia de diane ma akoyi kama so etimi era mo to join ye na hwe a na chese no we need a time a Omodi omani chiemu El Kotoka International Airport. Omukukudu ya no bomodin etmi a check in na fe omo akoro no na uzampa. Omo chachi omo se eboa na ne ma eda yer mo abozo na that.
Oh, how important this is to the players.
Yes.
Omo full flight no cry. Energy aside of them, energy on it's so important in the career of a player. That is where you always want to be, playing the best competition. And we that is their maiden edition. So it's exciting. You don't understand what the players feel, and in moment like this, hey, the first Champions League Okobozo are Cairo, Ali. It's wonderful. I'm happy for them. Wow. They are just enjoying themselves. What they have to do, take pressure or go out there, give their best performance. That's it. Yes, irrespective of what happens, they've distinguished themselves. So far. Oh, Maza, and yeah, Miyakito.
And people advise you on more effect.
Solid.
Yeah, the advice is on one share when
share with the white
Mami Ninkomo Wimra. Na Yantuaso. Mepacho, Sompa TV Nina, Udini baby au Kasafi.
A friend is Paya.
Paya Kasafi. Ayana, when you're letting no.
Many are letting no.
Now, Paya Kazay.
The whole day you miss once you can't fight the coming French. We try and them.
Paya Hammers all the idea, also Kasafi Kote.
Yeah.
Now, me tabu Kote follows what Tati said, this will pass the car of pow. Paya, one and Utia Pause, I count last in 5 Ghana.
Oh, yeah. Michael has said, what the cat is about him. He did the Kaka.
But Eddie, I was at an Aswama on Tikabicha for some Pasica promotion.
The American said some Pasica promotion and the Mutrodo. And then when should TV in Tier Radio, which at least Empire Damase, some of some more boy. A poverty at the business scheme.
You are going to second one was be trade you. I may have a friend in Abana de Jaguma.
Matorico.
At a heady and no, your command. Your Coco dear, some Pasica promotion star 256 star 3 hash. Kofu D, me Baba sorry, so I'm a sample modena, my yard, Medium DNA, Dreams is Sufia, and Renumre, Mezo Monso, Kwakwaku Ramo, Tunisia, Norman Club Africans. Or my mere Nunijan wear car Confederations Cup. The Dreams FC no now so monso no to no enta ye kama pede mo boa mane makoye pede mo na no pa me sorry ya me ba be ye juma mirror studio a chiriko na mu zeta bo fa kwa de krata biaba na krata na me zo kenkan show na we ni ade na unza pa bo fa kwata na FC part ways with the first team head coach and assistant coach na see no kenkan kuma bo fa kwata no football club has by mutual agreement pathway with the first head coach Mr. Seven Frimpong Manson and assistant coach Mr. Isaac Kofi Safo. This decision was made in the utmost interest of the club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to both coaches for their valuable contribution and dedication to our club. We wish them the very best in their future endeavors, and we thank our teaming fans for their continued support and look forward to exciting times ahead. And to sign a BTFC management, Bofakatano, our management and our bombardier sign a Manemako ye pay to be at the moment, and not there the Abraham Bomanamako Digamo, my original winner coaches in 1 year. There is a winning free club on Ankasao, and non American to release on the buyer. And James only we able to me at ya. Mami Shasi and I'm moving come out, crabs and 7 dollars. We are biggie. Now, the Abo called there. I won't be a lot of them fine. But you have media macacraps. Is a Kumasi medium. Kumasi medium. Sahayano, Baboni wire. Indeed, I'm original Winnie. Catano. Where original one dossier. Other weird days. The Buffalo files. Where Buffalo files 1 and 2. We know. Ya sounds so the Yabomo, ya steplo. There's a oh wow! And where they call coach from Paul Manson? Combination agreement. Oh, come here. Oh, come on, my affairs. We don't hear no. No, mukakra. This mutual termination agreement is made on the 23rd day of November 2023 between Bofakwa Tano Football Club
a company registered under the laws of the Republic of Ghana of Post Office Box 1344 Sinyane in the Bono region of the Republic of Ghana, acting by its Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Alexander Bebio, herein called Club of a one part, and Mr. Frimpong Manson on this area. Whereas decisions in here, the club and the coach on July 2023, Kremo Maninye Stable Mami Michelle executed an employment agreement for the services of the coach, subject to the observance and performance of the covenant stipulations and conditions contained therein. The club and the coach desire to mutually terminate the employment agreement on 22nd November prior to the mutual termination date. Notwithstanding the early termination of employment agreement, the club irrevocably undertakes to pay the salary for the month of November 2023. The parties have also agreed that the club shall pay 2 months' salary in the amount of Membodino to the coach as compensation. Okay, then you call the next one. No, in witness whereof. Okay, into where the witness is almost signed.
Yeah.
So basically, when containing details of a arrangement in the BB, I say you terminate your contract. Say ni. Free so.
Issue you know. Apostle Baba Mana Hama. Until the family kumna.
So media Madiano, yeah, wish you all the best. The situation is overwhelming. And we swa neno swa kofa the any say body aba. One players nenye energy. They are excited. They are embarking on such a trip. Omo first ever CAF Champions League match omo bono. Omo kobo ewa Cairo. Omo boetia the most successful team in the competition. A game are all bosso away from home. The comfort of the home fans near there. So clearly a game one medium players no the trip ne be energy there. But me sure say match ne ba be draw and the pressure be the ball so.
Yes.
But omo emphasize say it is a moment they are going to enjoy. We understand man your my simple easy the mouth until we get to the dynamics of the game. But I think that so far the highlight now trip no more corner and your man farmer, and this is a good way for Ghana football. Say unya local Ghanaian players to about Champions League and not sure how we see address here. They are really proving true ambassadors of our game, and I think say as somebody I was say a camp for almost say adi or more yeah. A tiganda in pank and they come Anna, excuse me to say, be a question flip flop, be a shirt, a track suit, as she yeah. Here about it naka. But so my say we need to commend them, and it shows that truly America no more quite no mapa. And some of sad trips and I another do an actual ball no more quack no. The exchange of culture and ideas. Maybe you're more call and come because. But the American and you say no more.
Yes.
And they America approach you. Where Egypt here. So what has changed? This changed now after the America trip. Almost first outing outside Ghana. Look at how they've dressed. So I think that my idea. Boys no so if I talk come and was a move ni white ni PO. Color no move no. A white ni PO preko. Kwa share color be a dumwa. Move ne ebre and a white and so amana ugly tie like a blue more beautiful. I think so my idea. Nipa or arrangement we know or say man monthly bonus be the kind of salary now. Why you mapa? Abu 2 Black Stars. You see, amongst all the things I hear complaining about, there are fundamental issues that need addressing. Fundamental issue they say
Sompa Sports.
See a fully functioning junior national side. Then see a players are show commitment, players or show quality, players or show dedication throughout the game for the Black Stars. And the evidence no war. Okay, 2006 squad ni mo made squad list be atum kremo ebetimi ahwede amaye. But the list now you will find not less than 90% of players are Muko World Cup 2006. You know. They had either represented Ghana at several age limit tournaments, under 17, under 20. And even some played at the Olympic Games Athens 2004. And Ebiso Ebo, the local league. You know. So they pass through a certain football process. Sa football process and the bewu omo to Black Stars nim. Enti owo Ghana hu nim die bi culture bia. We see the free the youth stage in the be senior side. Into ojinemu bo a commitment bia a dance. So Michael Essien then was playing for a big team like Chelsea, but Oba on flex there so Okune Hobo.
Any.
Yeah, this is a 2006. Sammy Ajay was part of 99 under 17. Hanselusa paying one more Ghana. Asamoah was part of the academicals. Asamoah called the Olympic Games in 2004. Sami Kofo there from 91, 93 na hade ba yene na ne science. John Mensah was part of 2001. Emmanuel Adokwe Papo was part of 2001. Sila Eliasu had been part of junior setups abo for local qualifiers. Unfortunately, year time no from 2003 the last time he had to call the African Youth Championship. The next two editions ne yankwa until 2009 yebabeko yakwaji wafu yakwaji afcon. But he was part of qualifiers. Michael Essien, he needs no introduction. 2001 Derek Boateng the same. Stephen Appiah was 97-99. 95, sorry. Sule Muntari, the same. Alistair Chimensa passed through such a process. Habib Mohammed, not a local based player. Obo, Matthew Amwa, similar. John Pencil, similar. Jojo Wu, Dankwe, Eric Ado, Razak Pimpon, Otuado, and no so count. But he had played for the Black Stars since 99.
Yes.
Then Isa Ahmed, Richard Kenson, Hamidu Dramani. Into squad way, a mood 3 and now 2. And no mambo either for a local team or in the local league or play for your junior size ni mubako.
Oromo Canadian.
Omuna enyasa football process no.
What we agency adibiso. Ti we mo no munyini ball muntimi be rough nchire wo.
They will play, they will commit themselves.
Oh, ni baby ofi oma.
Exactly, and they are quality too.
Yes.
It also proves that a football culture, the process of graduating players from junior size to senior size is smooth. And then there is also reward for performing local based players away a top flight league.
Yes.
You call the next slide now. 2010, a similar squad line. Daniel J. Noaka under 20 near the Kwaji Egypt. Asamoah Medin Kaka, John Pence or John Mensah, Antonia 9 then. Of a local team no cover into the senior team, but no above for junior size.
Yeah.
Then Antoniana that also played for there was this team. It's Matthias. Then Oba Samolinkum, Jonathan Mensah under 20, Derek Boateng Wedding Cabo, Stephen Appiah, Sule Muntai, Prince Tego. Okay, sa Dangweshi.
Yankai kure no dibia Ghana ni dia.
Andre Ayew, Matthew Amwa, Isaac Mosa, Stephen Aholu, Ibrahim Ayew, and Ibrahim Ayew. Then Dominic Edia, Lee Adi, Quincy Owusu-Abiyi, on foreign I introduced to Koja Samoa, Richard Kenson, Kevin Prince Boateng. So the new ones no more beka Hanselusa pay hono, KP Boateng and Quincy Owusu-Abiyi. And also once again 90% of your World Cup squad was dominated by Omo Mafa junior size name and now Omo boy local league now we are rewarding them for it. What the Baba here 2022 squad now? It is not the same.
For 2022 they are not
so Oba na say fresh in our memories. Fresh in our memories. I hope you get fresh in our memories. So the core of your team now your person you building on. They be a man for complain na omo show commitment. Nobody in the current Black Stars team. And I know what pedigree. Ever a personality better than that of Muntari.
Yes.
But nobody here can tell me say Muntari because of baby Anu Edruniti no you're committed to the national sports. Obiano obet me a convince me sir. Stephen Appiah. No player currently in the Black Stars food. Bigger than Appiah in European football contest. Oh Obi obet me a chem. Say Obi Bob Black Stars this is here or JC or a bigger European football portfolio than Stephen Appiah. But just look at the commitment of Appiah, dedication, hard work. Ojinemu ba, Obama who team 53 more hours a Bearman ever born. Michael Essien, John Mensah, no Leon, Estate, or Bob Black Stars, no Kune Hobo. We are not seeing same with these players. It is not their fault because Omo ye alien to your football culture ne kwan af Ghana ni ehwehwe free ho. Ntem wow. Players in any year ne how you person about a ball no because until wase Dennis Odoy until wase Tariq Lamptey until wase Bobo names you know Iñaki Williams until wase and these are players who chose Ghana as a second option not first option and here point number 1 Iñaki Williams did not choose Ghana because of Ghana he chose Ghana because maybe I will do no and Ghana na kwani ye kopa na chow but we plead. There has been several instances and he did not show up. He didn't give us any commitment. So we had to go and use the World Cup to lure. Into World Cup ne bait. Oh, Benya World Cup ne biabo. So most of these players are most just in a bubble. And yes, or minor done too much a woman. It is not like that. Partey was a rejected player. 2013 FIFA Youth Tournament.
Yes.
But then there was one Arsenal player.
Zakansa minimum no pa. Or the Bishop Wada for Zakansa. Or the 5 wiki.
Minimum baby or the 5.
Zakansa.
Jacob Apleu. Or me no more 2013 squad no one. Yeah, 4-1 cut the main squad. So Partey was rejected.
And on Nana Chelsea so cut in the defender we don't know how on.
Yep.
Referees are guy.
Yeah.
That be so our center back.
It was an issue I have to do. Center back. Very stout, very strong.
I was
Oh.
That's our problem. What that are you Chelsea player?
Bishop said, but I told you the but told you the Bishop.
2013.
Why not told you?
Now Pastor Kao. Now was in Turkey.
Yeah, operations.
Joseph Atamala.
That operation, yeah.
Yes. 2013. Alawa
Richard Ofori.
Michael Sai. Oh, goalkeepers there.
Yeah.
Atamala.
Yeah.
And Francis
now. Yes.
And Baba Rahman.
Yes, Baba Rahman that time. Fish. But I'm not Bob last that time also.
Oh, okay.
Partey was rejected.
Yes,
you're born to reject.
Partey Zakansa. Chelsea player no be.
But you never kindness. Or you better power. The injury they have.
And you move free.
Oh no, prior.
Injury.
Cannot
Bob up and
now, sir, players no. Ombe boa bede. Omba be Blasters ni. So when young Kayebi. Say on mine ye say mommy provide the avenue trasabi to her mommy intimate fast you will not get the commitment you want. And it is good we go in for foreign based players yatiti omo ya nature omo according to a certain foreign football culture. Eye o de blend efa ebi na me cite example with Hansedu Sape Otoado. We've had several other players. But say o men no be just sing. The local ones now, yatiti omo waha omo fa through your system nimo the adults saying a creative problems like commitment issues, a creative problems like blending into your football culture no. Afe obonse when your culture shock and I say na moya money oma waha ye ne sa na dey way simple na mama fa ni gidi sa. So we really need to look at this. A big issue.
Our train si asem so. Bishop
Michael asem no kan.
Mo bram
1991 you born under 17 Nigeria. Ya preko Odati Lamptey.
Daniel Papo. Ole HSU youth team captain. And he the back room.
Injury.
About to play Naza Kasa so
Zakaza ni modemo.
Na
local players. No, but truth be told, we are good. Mother, we are good. Yo, but I see now can serious. Just how many years now? Player. Party. Look at the names you were mentioning. But not mention yourself. Mother.
Party.
Oh, yes, it's true.
They knew him very well.
They knew him.
But Mike. Ube jana kwa fawe. I said what to Brahman ever.
Yes, but that time that was very good.
Dia mo boy na. Me na be chaba so keja sala.
I mean so you born 1991 under 17 year. Gago. Ya preko. Ni Lamptey. Isaac Asai. Omoko Senegal 92. What I say? Omukobi, these people, they were there. In the next AFCON we took for 93 year Africa under 17 or Mauritius. Omo South tournament we had 15. And of course under 22.
Wow.
Sompa Sports.
Yeah, World Cup no Australia no more 17.
Wow.
Yeah, Atlanta 96 no. You saw those boys plus Augustine Ayefo playing. Augustine Ayefo have joined them at under 20 level.
But Bishop no cry bass I'm a coach in on bro.
Na san crowd we no.
But that's been
You can ask the players. They were together with the back. And a coach Afrani. It's no way back. The chemistry is there. And Mobi and Trebe being control say, Adena Jeff Moki can ye be that. This is what we've been doing all the time. And here Jai Blasters as an answer be said be an eating. Me say emphasis I say Wakasawa Denoa and Sisa. But because Michael has taken time out of this, I would want to make a strong case based on you maybe I'm a monitor whilst I was away.
Meet you, Chama.
And then I'm in Shadoni birthday. I'm in Shadoni, no team manager for the Black Stars. Into maybe a shadow will be out coming for the names and the picture.
Happy birthday.
I'm in Shadow, happy birthday. Team manager Shadow. And go on shout. No, now look. Two faces. First face, in the clear free who we are. I'm a Dioma Baby Room. Ghana League Class Association near Fene Gaka. Gaka, Omoho. Now, see, I'm before that, no quick 9 and 10. Gaka, no. Omoye Kubataya. Omo na ebo class ne ho bra enye sa yewura kudu fianu na danu na Gaka no omo president's cap aya omo na president's cap ya na nsɛn no ema Gaka mpanyimfo no ekuhia His Excellency the President of the Republic Nana Akufo-Addo eno ni kodi nkomo present a photo album ema no of the last president's cap aya born in kind Meka how much ni e be free gate is still nipa nkon
Sompa Sports
na omo present bi na omo di hu nkomo kakra se na ebe ya ye be na ya hwe kwan de ne mo be fa so se na ebe ya next year Gaka no omo president's cap no ye betimi abo ne kama no problem. Latest update on the president's cap. Mira yate committee yura Simon Osemensa obedano Ashanti Regional Minister. Evans Pokubo be Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports. Also there also. Now, teams been a ball president's cap. I shall say, "Nankomo media man but Omusha and Boa media because around that 6 March time, no more Africa. Into why? I'm going to do money president in Ankasa intervenes and no look. So 2024 we go Kumasi anyway. Anything that Simon Osemensa down, and that probably gives an indication of where the 6 match could possibly go.
Yes,
but it's not been certain yet. But the match Kotoko on the ball, then Akufo-Addo assures Gaka say Obebi Nkomo. Then he calls Alassane Ouattara, the president of La Côte d'Ivoire. Near two Kotoko near sec, no person sec me Kotokombo.
Oh, okay.
So that he would invite him.
Wow.
That would be right after AFCON. Another indication that president will go for the AFCON.
Yes.
Because of the relationship he has with Alassane Ouattara. So what I say, I'm going to Inti Kotoko ni Asek. Kotoko on one side. Asek Mimosa on the other side. Combatants. And then President Kufuor factor because I'm told he was around Ebra Kotoko ni Asek boy. Yeah. Nanka Omudi Hili after so many years on. Thank you very much.
Sompa Sports.
But ASEC Airborne Champions League Libby. So it's made it practically impossible. Sombeba. But they had accepted in principle as soon as the president of La Côte d'Ivoire told them. So Somba Ghana the boss are born. Not least with Kotoko. Ideally in Africa now, this would have been the perfect president's cap in an election year.
Yes.
Thank you, really. And would the pictures no or more so that people will get to know baby I currently baby I bedroom. But now the president is saying that still if ASEC cannot play, then they would find another Ivorian club to come and play that game.
Oh, okay.
So African sports Sewe Sports San Pedro, but Africa any ASEC at the big age. Gaka for we call Yena Mukushia president. As soon as they entered the room, what assist on Mudi football on common. Then the president told the presidential press corps so they should go out.
Sompa Sports.
Yes. So when they went out, he started asking them about football, their local league, and then Black Stars.
Pisa local league, Pisa Black Stars.
This was at the time, and now FNI president niha, secretary niha, more US.
But Gaka for no Pisa.
No Bisa. So what is happening? What we've gathered from the meeting, the first thing the president told them said, the two biggest problems I know already, and I'm working on it. Patrick Akoto was there in that meeting. Mr. Ansan was there in that meeting. The president of drafting chairs. George Ofosuhine was there. He was in that meeting. If you are closer to any of them, you can speak to them. The first thing I could find to catch them is football. Wow, you are betting with football.
Some passports.
I know those involved. That was the first thing. Second thing, some referees, maybe they are killing the game. They are giving favors which are undue. What I say? Now, you see, Gaka, there are some people in the Gaka system. They are close to the current FA regime. May sure pass the president in some they would have told the FA president by now. No, that the president has actually told them, look, yes, so the insecurity, guy in the gaming commission, cyber security phone, because you are betting with football. And you may local game. This is the president. And Semi and Michael Lebu boss in Fianu and Gaka told the president. How Ghanaian are these players? Now I imagine Black Stars are saying Kebib. But how Ghanaian are these players? Have you seen the president congratulating Kurt on his victory?
Dabi.
Haven't you guys observed?
Dabi.
Like focus. The president is bitter about our football situation.
Wow.
But he wanted the right picture. Football no Ghana. The FA is made up of clubs. Yes. Gaka are a good sample of the FA. There's some money president Koka enemy. Oman Central for who in APA. He told them straight. If you are closer to any of the Gaka people, pictures are ruling. Of course. And then is the right time. Nana Kufado. And you see, your husband, you know, Kaka Sindi. Oye Bibia name say now will be. National security for no dine there what you run about on the Jeff. Okay, we have this assumption that your security in yet. I'm found you become their issue. So look, if you are a club official and you are involved in football betting,
you're careful.
Because no, and yes, you're careful. Be ready.
Now,
before our president Dekas asked no meeting, he's been briefed.
When I baby as
the Black Stars issue. I say I'm spending too much on this thing. According to those in the meeting, I'm quoting the president. What he told them. I'm spending so much on this thing, but we are not making the headway. Why? The president, as it stands, has been made to believe that the current Black Stars coach is being sabotaged. Now, I'm from Pedasen. The performance and that is what the powers that be believe. And until they say, no man, they say, look, nobody should try.
Some passports.
You can find out from anybody you trust. Notices have been sent, letters of notification. He's instructed that Amoma GF in the World Cup can be. Yes, Sika Indian World Cup. The president has agreed. So Amoma you are throwing letters to that effect. The FA are aware. Ombenyas Kennedy. It's a big trap.
Wow.
They should be careful. You see, Black Stars no egu.
Egu says
ebu. But I hear a big what to say them.
I
try to understand why I found some Black Stars. Sorry. Until the Mr. I will speak to the relevant people. this is the right time for me to come out with some of the information. The Benjamin President for picture and and all thanks to Kuku Adando.
Yes.
I mean, she did an excellent job on this thing. Now, listen very well. Black Stars, now Emre Pa.
Sompa Sports.
Ne enjoy Mundi. Ne empoma Samsa. Obi empoma.
I was also in New
Look, players' bonuses were not paid. Nirema Mohamed Gago fucked. Sorry for my language.
Sorry for
the Black Star because of that.
Bonus were. No credit, no can Now, in our engagement with the president who made Black Stars what it is, the first thing that he mentioned, and they say, Ebeka Naka Krama in South Africa, Bossa World Cup qualifier, no crewman. Now he had this guy in the Black Stars. Even though Stephen Appian and the captain's armband, Omunina knew who the captain was.
Oh, okay.
The captain was Sami Kufo. Now, President Kufo picked the phone and called Sami Kufo, said, offer Sami Kufo Kechi. And then Sami Kufo calls him Oluma. He asked him, say, now, when South Africa match, he did a come so. Yeah, Mubesheno. Or so, President Naka said, okay, Mubonos no crammy challenge. And then Sami Kufo says, Oluma and Debbie, one Casasso can be there now, they might. He promised each of them 5,000.
Wow.
Listen very well to this account. According to the president, 5,000 he promised them. Sako no all receiving. He was on loudspeaker. That's Stephen Appian Michael listening.
Wow.
Now Omokasari no who say he speaks to the president direct. They were shaking. No more people. Then he told them to calm down. Once the president is involved, Black Stars will come good. Because we have a presidential intervention.
Yes.
Almost the modest Canaba. Some people are directed that the money be given to Thomas Bia. You are closer to him, ask him. President Kufo trusted them so much, so this kind of Thomas Bia. This kind of Thomas Bia.
Yeah, I'm a coach.
This is friend, what done for me.
But baby, I'm going to say,
they break players. There was Thomas Bia. Ask him. Or you are dancing. I'm born you will come home. And not only money now conquer. No more so Omoko Danasi. Omoko Kran no Mako back. A Honor President Kufu, just like a Kufu just found out. He who says, I'm plenty to from 1 year on Toba. Omuni didn't come on. Then Alaji Maikano Noyai, all catchers Sami Kufo said, Onu the OGD pass a Black Stars team manager. Poko fiye be ye ne betu yae. But now Tama Kolomon Penase. Because he is outspoken.
Sompa Sports.
So you can
no nonsense.
O kan kwesi apia book na omuko 82 ono na Rollins in the Casa Diet.
And the reason why Yaobe will unfortunately have to let him exit because of yeah. Wow.
So I like my kind of cars asem ne chair no. Then Sami Kufo ACN and appear. So private audience with President Kufo say, "Nyesili, no mpese pokwe free enenye. Omu free ha ekwa abrochi no." President Kufo called the Aotamaklos and told them, "Made pokwe free the team manager." Now mo ntiase. They were not happy with it, but he forced them. Until they're not players ne penal. That's what the president was doing. That is why they were getting results for him like that in those World Cup qualifiers. Wow. Mutete said 2008 President Kufo and the Ma Samwajan M3 camp.
Yes.
Now, the genesis of the story, according to the big man, was that Samwajan bought chances in Lugua. Napuko every year, now, they was so. We boy about sports. They make Katam and you can't measure until you friend me. So he had built that bond where he was teaching him privately. Oh yes, I have your money here. Bibia how Mubiano who free sticks to President before that. Until Samoja shut them now, not also. All the big boys had spoken to him. Apia, Kufo, Muntai, Omunani Kaza Masagana for the middle attempt sanity. Then Opokofi called President Kufo to intervene in the situation. That's why he didn't leave the camp.
Wow.
So for us, just like Nkrumah was doing with Ohinijan for CKJMP and Co. Rollins doing with Opoku in Libya, just as a champion was doing Opokunti depth in 78. Sir, you need the presidential intervention. No job Black Stars no matter now. The rumors making round is that Kate works with the agent of George Watson. Yeah, and that it is also, I mean, it's not even rumor. It was an open secret. They wanted George Watson to be Black Stars coach after Otoado. Nane Hamene say, me who say Ibrahim Sani atro bibi na Mama Abaso atro bibi afa. If I can get that picture, it's my biggest fear for the team now. So Sani says, guys, let's speak truth once and for all. Do you think Chris Hughton should continue as Black Stars coach? You know Sani's position on Chris Hughton.
Yeah.
He wants him out. The question should be, do you think the past and present FA are worth our time and investment? We will improve when the ass licking and praise singing for coin stop. Leave Hughton alone.
Kevin Brown, I mean, you final drama come time.
Baby, I just see him. These things are not necessary. More here. Chris Hughton will leave in February, March. Nipo Beba would automatically have enemies within the setup based on what
no so have a break.
The danger, another danger. So say this is a far coach, near far assistant amount. Check it out.
A far coach, far assistant.
Your far coach, near far assistant amount.
A bad practice. So Kwesi Appiah, and don't forget, Kwesi Appiah have been assistant for more than 1 or 2 coaches. Kwesi policy say, Sebe ye kofa Bruni, efa Bruni a waben. Send a build the capacity of your assistant. So they are here. So
assistant back.
Jose, yes, one
way no the backroom staff near in your coach in your input. Goalkeeper's trainer.
Yes.
Team manager.
Our assistant
coach 1 and 2. So head coach no Obano. Or no why not in a buy. Chris Hughton one an assistant.
But Michael, like I'm saying, in the time Kwesi Appiah was there, the coaches that come down making inputs.
I'm also the material. We are menu beshi. I remember na Emre. Kevin, yeah, drawn apostle. I we are back. Commander Bishop who didn't then commander me home crowd me. I'm there. Yeah. Hey, the Black Stars. Grandma pick you when I'm in Yana and Farin and I'm in call. Why? Na remember na so. Na me Yana me pija me moa di. Kevin, me aso na yen win no. Ti win no. 0243 437 final free near the see 0243 437 tieno and I na when you sika di yadamasi yadamo premier call free to for beba na de akidi ato aso amam
wante unipeduase a ote ayaresase aso se wa pomodin ana so se wa hodin yare bia woni free timenu madro abra woni yare no kofa bae we aye 21st clinic yina so a ye de sayare wo 21st clinic no